Bruh.
Close my eyes and
Hey, traders. Welcome to the last live stream of 2020. If you're in North America, I know for some people it's already New Year's, so Happy New Year to you if it's happened, but not quite here yet. So, what happens today? The yearly candle close stream. All right, so let's look at it real quick. Here's the daily, right? Still kind of in middle of nowhere. Golden ratio has not been touched. 30K. I mean, 4-hour bearish divergence is very, very real. But you got 60-minute hidden bullish divergence, so it's like what's gonna win? 60-minute or 4-hour. So here's your yearly candle. I don't think I've ever done this before. Did 6 months, but we'll look at the first time together. All right, here's your 12-month candle in log scale. All right. So, all right, let me make it not visible here, I guess. Let's see, how are we gonna do this? I don't think I can make it not visible. Sorry, so it's gonna be kind of gross looking. Oh, you know, I'll do this real quick. All right, here we go. Here it is, big screen. It's a huge green candle, man. All-time highs, 51 minutes until a close. It's been a good one, hasn't it? Except for that pesky sell-off we saw with the COVID crash, right? Been wonderful. I'm wondering, would we close at session highs, the yearly session highs? 50 minutes, man. Pretty incredible. Oh, either way, no matter what happens, all right? So, but this is it, man. You know, the year that's been so bad in so many ways. It's also been really good in some ways, like making money. It's been incredible for that on the markets, but terrible in every other way, I think. So, we're at that 1272 fib extension. Clearly, we've been trying to break it. We're right at it now. We failed to break above it, pulled back, and now trying to just 6 minutes probably what to look at right now.
Happy New Year, Mitch. Thanks for all the live streams this year.
What's up, Raid? Thanks for the 5 super chat. Thank you, man. And also, cheers to everyone. All right, we're keeping it going. So hopefully you got some plans tonight. If not, it's just another day, right? So, I mean, 29,080, you're above that. You'd think the next target's 29,449 if we're talking about fib extensions, right? Here's the concerning thing. It hasn't played out yet. So this is still very possible. Think about it. The new year starts in 49 minutes and everything changes. The bots shift and then the bearish divergence that's very well developed and hasn't played out plays out. So don't get cocky here and think that, oh, it's just not going to happen. It very well could happen, and it could happen on the new yearly candle. Where, you know, what happens? Or you sell off some, just a little bit, but just a little bit on this chart is a crap load, thousands of dollars. So, just something to think about. It's very real, and people should be at least with 4-hour bearish divergence and weekly RSI being at like 92. People should understand that a reversal can happen. You know, it's wild right now. But at the same time, hey, finite supply, institutions buying. You know, all the 900 Bitcoins mined per day are getting bought every single day, right? So, it's crazy, man. So, it would be, Bitcoin would not be pulling back on the weekly because buyers are exhausted. It would just be, it's just too high, right?
Mitch, I think I only missed about 10 streams this year. Happy Patreon member and happy member of your community. Nice community.
Thank you, KCW, and well, hopefully you've learned a lot if that's the only handful of streams you've missed. A lot of stuff going on, right? Thank you, man. Capitulation, yes, yeah, sure. A melt up. Yeah, that's been happening though. So things have been stalling a little bit at this level. Not for long and not much, but really the price action we were seeing, I love that. You know, these two candles, two huge wicks, and all they did was back test the old wick high. That's a lot of seller rejection right there. So it's like when you do that couple 8 hours, you know, it's like where else can you go if the sellers were rejected twice like that? Up probably, but who knows when this or if this would play out. Classic Class A bearish divergence. But then you go to the 60-minute and it's just like, well, contradicting variables, right? Contradicting things going on different time scales. Where you have a very, very nice, I mean, it's impossible to argue here, a low to a higher low.
Amigo, hugging face.
What's up, Benji? Thanks for the 3s, dude. Happy New Year. Right, so the hidden bullish divergence on the oscillators, 60-minute. This has yet to play out either, right? So when you get contradicting variables on different time scales, it's tough, man. Real tough, but it's also New Year's. So, hey, we're making trades right now on New Year's. Like, dude, calm down. Get some champagne or beer and just relax. Okay? But really, it's not even like this is the story of the day today for Bitcoin. It's actually altcoins. Some altcoins. A few, handful of altcoins. What altcoins been talking about? They were trade setups. How about this? 3 trade setups provided. A couple were done live and then they were created for patrons. Sure, so like everyone could get in on it. In the welfare trade setup. But 3 of those recent trade setups are up double-digit percentage points today. Talking about Theta, talking about Hex, talking about YFII.
But you told us about VI on Christmas Eve. Fast forward now and I didn't leave anything on the table. Happy New Year.
Eddie Bennett, thanks for the $14.99. Speak of the devil, right? YFII. Yeah, Wyckoff. Looked like accumulation range, back test of a spring. Was losing some negative Momo. Was about to go positive, neutral positive again. It just looked good. Don't care what the asset was. If you're talking about a chart alone, it looked fine. It looked primed. And it was just patience required. All right, YFII, here you go. YFII. It's beautiful, right? Where traders settled up October 7th. A little wick low from November 12th. You were holding it. You were getting squeezed between that ice line and the supply line, the downsloping resistance, or the creek. You've jumped across the creek now, violently, up 11.84% today. If this, if T is to be respected at this point, it's going to go much higher. I mean, it's just implied. Now, Bitcoin crashes, who knows, right? I mean, all bets are off. Altcoins, they're just going to get destroyed if Bitcoin gets destroyed, probably. But if Bitcoin doesn't get destroyed, real nice looking stuff for YFII. Look at this, man. On the daily MACD histogram, right? You're showing positive momentum again. Now, hopefully it doesn't end up being just like this from December 3rd. But this is just the beginning. This is like, it always starts with one histogram island, and look what can happen afterwards. All these other histogram islands on higher prices. So I'm just telling you, what did I say yesterday looking at this asset? Someone requested it. It's like, patient man wins. That's literally it. Patient man wins. So, thanks again, Eddie. I don't know what's up with my music, man. Dealer. Okay. Alright. So the poll is in trouble. The poll. What poll? This poll. Will Bitcoin hit $30,000 before January 1st, 2021? No, probably not. I mean, it's extremely improbable. The only way this happens is Bitcoin would have to jump up about $870 in the next 43 minutes. Not happening, man. I mean, it would be a miracle, a crazy miracle that you just got almost no chance of it happening. Okay. So the yeses are going to lose this one, and the nos are going to have it. Even if Bitcoin breaks 30K tonight, it doesn't matter. It's universal time. That's how this poll, that's how we signify when the end is, when it strikes. And that's like when the yearly candle closes. And that's, again, 42 minutes. So the poll peoples, the yeses are going to lose, it seems like. All right. Well, yeah, we could talk about the Jim Carrey. So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah, sure. 42 minutes of a chance. Not happening, man. Yes, Matthew D. The quarterly, the 6 month, the yearly, the daily, not the weekly. Yeah, closing tonight. Big, and that's where shifts in momentum can happen. Rebalancing. So bots can just change their course. You never know. Sure, you never know. But I'm just telling you, extremely improbable. If it happened, my God, I would, shotgun like 2 beers or something. Sure. But because I'm confident to believe it's not going to happen, right? Okay. So that's Wi-Fi. Very good start. It's only just begun, though. Look at the volume signature on the breakout. Wow. Highest level of 4-hour volume you've seen since the 3rd. That's exactly what you're looking for on breakouts. High volume signatures. Sweet. So now it's just spent time maybe back testing 1533, what it broke. That high from October 30th. It broke it. It's trying to back test it, consolidating before maybe it goes higher. A lot of room, a lot of upside potential. Not overbought. Okay. I'm only 2 beer confident that we close above 20K? Nah, dude, we've already closed above 20K. How many beers have you had, Miss Peabody?
Bruh.
So we look at Wi-Fi. That's a trade setup. Let's look at the next one. Hex. That member, everyone's screaming scam, and it's like, dude, I don't care if it's scam. This is extremely educational. This is amazing opportunity. If it wasn't Hex, even if it was, there's something one could have easily assessed their risk, managed their risk on. And my God, targets are hit. It's over. It's like almost, it's on the way to the next target. This is what happens, Larry, when you respect TA. This is it, dude. It was so easy. It was just like, all right, entry kind of now, because you were breaking, hooking, and going. You were about to confirm that engulfing candle on the 27th of December. All right. Stop loss below the ice line, of course, and it was just like almost instantly, it feels like, right? Gone, dude. Gone. So almost there. Very, very close. When we hear the beep, if we ever hear the beep, we'll know the second target's hit. Sweet. Go Hex up 31.88% today, while most legacy coins do nothing. Nothing. They're down. VeChain's down 8%. Cardano's down 2%. XLM's down 3%, Neo's down 3%, ZRX down 2%, right? Just blah. So it's like these newer coins, I don't know, are doing. Polkadot is killing it. It's up 28% today. Did it surpass something? Coin market cap? Let's check. Let's see what happened. Did it surpass? It did. All right, Polkadot has officially surpassed Bitcoin Cash market cap. Look at this. Polkadot, number 6 now. 8.3 billion. Bitcoin Cash has now been destroyed. This happened within the past 24 hours. So Litecoin is next. My God, what's going on here? Why is it 8.3 billion and Litecoin's 8.3 billion, but this is 6th? What's going on? This should be number 5 right now, technically. Am I crazy? Is my math off here? Am I just not good at math, that just looking at numbers, that this number is higher than this one? So Litecoin, it seems it's too early to call, man. They're not going to call it for Polkadot yet. The name's too weird. I guess we'll keep our eye on that. Congratulations, Dot. Remember, it broke out and we're like, this is not like sell at all. This could go much higher. This has much more upside, and it's gone, dude. All right, that was the all-time high. You had barely broken it, like, and just it's gone insane. Exceeding the gold mean ratio on this 4-hour candle right now. Wow, there's nothing really up there till $10 psychological resistance.
Happy New Year, chat. R.I.P. John McAfee's parts. Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, it's not a million, so he has to do the thing. Wow, he's finally lost. He's losing his bet. In 37 minutes, right? Finally. The one he placed like 3 years ago. Alright. It will probably not be televised. Just kidding. Let's act like he was even going to do it. So, $10 next target. After that would be 12.30. 12.23, excuse me. Crazy. This one's had a meteoric rise. I gotta do some more research on it, I guess. Find out. So, Hex, YFII, and now we have to talk about Theta. That looked the best. It was the best looking thing, I think, that was on the markets. When we were looking at it, and we did it live, right? We compared it to Bitcoin's last trade setup, and it was beautiful. Here it is, man. It's just like you got a low on price, you get a higher low, and what happens? You show hidden bullish divergence. Either way you look at it, whether it was this one or this one, I thought it was set up, it was primed, and you just have that low slightly below the local low there, just like we did with Bitcoin. Okay, entry was then, and now we've hit 2 targets of the 3. There you go, perfect. One more, 205 gold mean ratio. Let's do it, dude. Very possible. All right. 35 minutes, so your yearly candle close, your monthly, your quarterly, your bi-yearly candles all close, man. So that's it. I mean, like, I don't even know if you're a patron, what else could you ask for from me, right? I mean, like, if there's like, hey, you need to do this more or this more, it's like, did I do okay? I mean, was it a good month, patrons? You know, are you satisfied? All right, let's go to Ethereum. Down 1.55%. It's not going anywhere. Almost looks like, you know, at this point, it's kind of nasty. Oh, wow. Yeah, dude. I don't think it's possible. I mean, this could be a little bit more lenient on what it would be. Could we get 10,000 Discord members by midnight tonight, Eastern time at least? 116 more members till 10,000. We could do this, man. Definitely doable. Doesn't have to be in 34 minutes. Pinning that to the chat. Let's make it happen, dude. So yeah, at this point, I'm not really sure, man. It doesn't really look good. It's like a high, a higher high. Your RSI showing bearish divergence like Bitcoin is. No positive momentum. Just building negative Momo. It's probably just going to go where Bitcoin goes, which is really tough to say because you've got contradicting variables really bad right now. And we know the yearly candle's closing, which could definitely usher in a shift in how things are played. Seriously, like at the end of the year, man, that's the candle close, or at the end of the month, definitely where like bots will shift, like where it was going, it'll reverse there. It could, you know, at least for a while. $10 psychological resistance. 1223 is a 2618 fib extension on DOT. That's what's going on. That's why. 261.8% retrace from the previous high, which was all-time highs, to the lowest low after that. That's how you got that. 2618. 1223 or whatever. 1213. Not sure why you would buy DOT. Sounds insane. You're buying at an extreme premium for what? What are you even paying for? What are you paying premium for? Do you even know? So mysteries abound. You broke out. There's no resistance looking left till 794, and you just can't catch the bids. I don't know. It's just not catching bids. And now it's just this mini little pennant, this little upsloping consolidation structure. Look, you know, you just 1 and 2 up there, and then 1 and 2 on the bottom. And that's it. It's like it's a little rising wedge with bearish divergence on the RSI. It'd be cool to break out of the upside, but you got to be realistic here. You just don't know. It's gonna do what Bitcoin does. And if Bitcoin dumps, it's going to outperform. It's going to sell off even more, harder than Bitcoin, most likely. So you got this, with no positive momentum on that higher high. Not really strong. Okay. Not really that strong on Ethereum. I mean, it's like it should have hit 794 by now. Normally when you break resistance, you don't stall like this. You go, you knock it out, you get to the resistance. Just not enough demand for this asset. Man, I figured people would be more hyped for a New Year's stream or whatever, you know. Should have known that. Never expect anything. If I ever think, oh, it might be a lit stream, if I think that, it's not going to be one, right? If I think it's not going to be, it probably will be one. So I've just got to maintain that no expectation as a streamer, just like I would as a trader, right? Can't say I didn't try my hardest to get us to 10,000 Discord members before 2021. Man, we're like 107 away. Wow, dude. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Daniel Smith's Patreon $618 to $250. Happy New Year, nerds. Happy New Year, Mitch. Best community on the internet.
Daniel Smith's patron number 618. Thank you so much for the.
Thanks for the knowledge and attendees.
For the 250 effing dollars, dude. That's a coin flip. That's a coin flip. That's a 50% chance of a chug now. So, all right. If it lands on the Bitcoin, it's a heads. And I have to chug. If it lands on the tails, I don't have to do anything. Okay, so here it is, man. And I flip it, and then I toss it, and then I flip it, right? And I try not to look at it when it happens. You look at my eyes; they're looking up here. Dang, man. You got me. So thank you, dude. 250. Left field. And just like that, right? As soon as I was like, all right, it's not going to be lit, it becomes lit. Unbelievable, dude. Unreal. Let's look at Litecoin real quick before I chug this. Yeah, it's weird. It's like distribution and kind of maybe a buy wall. So it doesn't really look that strong. I mean, maybe you could say it's a flag. It's really tough for me to say that when we know Bitcoin's showing 4-hour bearish divergence. Litecoin, not really much of an edge right now. If it breaks 121, you're probably going down to 106. And if that's happening, you know Bitcoin's at much lower prices. So just keep it in mind, man. All right, let me get this beer right. It's in my little mini fridge. Beer. Hold on, 2 seconds. We'll do it, dude. Daniel Smith's. Get me wrecked. Very good, J-Talks.
Thanks for the tendies this year. Spin.
Crypto Artist, thanks for giving me a chance, man. Right back at you. Seriously. Gulp, okay. I don't know if am I playing the real game. I need to check this if I'm gonna play the actual game. Like, I did that yesterday. I felt pretty bad today. Not really, but could have been worse. Ate a potassium, magnesium supplement and chugged a bunch of water all day, and it's great. Start reading something.
Bruh.
Okay. This isn't gonna feel good because it's not primed. But Litecoin, man, there was hidden bullish divergence. It rallied. I guess it kind of played out, but that's showing how weak it is. The hidden divergence did nothing, only made lower highs. So it's played out, I guess, and now it's sideways and only making lower highs. That's kind of just distribution with a base of buying, which is normally not good. But of course, you know it's going where Bitcoin's going probably.
Can you look at the juice on the weekly?
I have Bitcoin Cash that now is market cap is lower than Polkadot, man. Embarrassing. The weekly, huh? God, man, so much insanity. The weekly, a lot of chop, man. Just, you know, where you are, it's good to some degree. You know, you're above a support resistance, but dude, you gotta break above 383. It's not even visible here on the weekly. It is on the daily. Like, where you are, like if you look at the weekly, you'd think eventually 455 could be hit, no problem. But that's the issue is, if Bitcoin's done, it's not going up there. It's not going to go. It's going to break back below 327, 325, and who knows, it might find its way down at $200 again. So it's all on Bitcoin, man. I'm looking at the weekly. Look at all these higher lows for so long, you know? A lot of higher lows. But it's not catching the bids yet, and you just know what's gonna. It's like, think about Bitcoin's at all-time highs, like crazy, like unimaginable highs, right? And then this is Bitcoin Cash. That's terrible. That's really bad. That's
Happy New
awful.
Year, friend. Thank you for being the bleeding edge when it comes to TA teaching. No spin but to the desk fund, haha games.
Thank you, Cheddar Dispenser. Yeah, dude, definitely gonna be getting a new desk when I move, which will be probably in the next. Well, I close on the house on the 8th. Or not the house, the luxury condo, whatever, downtown. I close on that on the 8th, and so I'm going to be doing some renovations, like hardwood floors and painting and stuff. So I don't know when I'll move in. It might be the end of January. Who knows? Depends on that progress. But, thanks, man. Dude. Science Bunny is coming in hot, man. Thanks, Science Bunnies, man. Let's go, dude.
Hey bro, thank you much for all the streams this year. Especially during the depths of March. It kept me DCAing, which I'm so glad I did now. Happy New Year, man.
Happy New Year, Science Bunny, and thanks for the $100 super chat. Holy crap. Y'all killing it, man. Thank you. And, yeah, there ended up becoming an edge, at least for tech, right? I mean, that was really where we started becoming confident again after the crash. Like, S&P, Dow Jones were rough, man, but that QQQ, you could understand, you saw it, like how it outperformed. It didn't lose as much value. It hit the parabolic trend line from way back, you know, I think 2008. It hit horizontal line support, showed all that bullish divergence. And yeah, the QQQ was it, man. And then what did it do? When S&P, Dow Jones recovered, the QQQ outperformed living crap out of them. So it was good. Now the Russell 2000s outperforming everything, right? Thanks, man. I guess we'll spin for that, right? Shoot. No, just a couple gulps. I gotta chug this though. Happy New Year, everyone. Bitcoin Cash sucks, man. Sorry. Breaking news, right? Just think about it. You know what happened. I mean, the stock market crashed, recovered, all-time highs. Bitcoin crashed, recovered, all-time highs. This crashed, and it's just marginally higher than it was, you know, down in the worst of times, right? It's just bad, man. Not good.
Real Estate Goose super chatted $49.99. Congrats on the new place, bro. Here you go for some new locks.
Bruh.
Real Estate Goose, man. Well, thank you so much for $49.99. $50 super chat. Kangs, man. For some new locks. Yeah, might need those. For sure. Thank you, man. Wow. Very cool. Sorry, dude. I'm just kind of like, that beer's just hitting me. It just, you know, when it's a bunch of liquid just hits your stomach and you're just like, whoa. I'm just recalibrating right now. What's up, Sultan, man? Thanks to the 270 super chat. Happy New Year. You're the best. Amazing content. Thank you for the kind words, man. Thanks for being here. Cheers. Happy New Year. What's up, Count Zeppelin, dude?
Happy New Year, Mitch and Kings. How does this sound? 1 hour bullish divergence takes up to 30k. 4 hour bearish divergence corrects from there. Oh, and spin.
I don't know, man. If we hit 30k, I think that divergence might get invalidated. Maybe not. It's failing to break above the 127. Look, the 1272 is acting as a very strong resistance. You up thrusted, you sold off, now you're rallying, you're failing to break it. Like, come on, man. You know, you'd have to start like catching bids like now. It's about to start playing out. Like, it's almost like, look, you're about to be neutral, negative. So it better start catching the bids now, or no, it's about to start playing out, you know? You'd think. But yeah, 60 minute looks 60 minute looks okay. But look at that. That's pathetic, right? It's like, you showed positive momentum and now you're showing negative momentum. Pathetic, dude. Pathetic. You gotta catch bids to get your positive momentum growing and climbing, not just going back negative, dude. Terrible. Alright, you get it. Get right, dude. Dogecoin, remember, the breaker can go on Dogecoin for the first time ever above that resistance. It never happened, ever, since 2017, and it happened. We identified it yesterday, so you all could know about it. I wish it was a joke, man. It's just not. It's not a joke. It's still above it. Still above it, man. We're talking about the daily. The SI, created first time ever May 2017. Look at that price action correlation. And anytime you broke it, you never broke it and back tested. You always broke it, pumped, and then dumped. Broke it, pumped it, dumped. Couldn't break it, couldn't break it. Couldn't break it. Couldn't break it. And now you broke it and now you're back testing. You understand Doge is doing something never done before. And this is, I mean, this is extremely good. You know, you could think, unless Bitcoin crashes, which is always possible, right? But if it's never done before and you're showing mass amounts of accumulation, The Doge could eventually see 7.10 cents. I'm sorry, 7.10. 7/10 of 1 penny. My God. Yeah, 7/10 of 1 penny. And then after that, who knows, right? It could go just bonkers on Doge. I wish it was a joke, man. Yeah, TikTok rally was this one, right? Wasn't it? Yeah, July. Yeah, it's I just wish I could present a stronger argument. I mean, a weaker argument, but this is an extremely strong argument for bulls. Okay, on Dogecoin, it's a joke coin, but the technical analysis is very real and very serious. It's not a joke.
Happy New Year to you and the team, Mitch. Can't believe how much I've learned and changed as a trader from your education in the Patreon. Best investment of 2020, cheers.
Let's go, Data Writer. Best investment. Better than Tesla, better than Bitcoin, he says. Thanks, man. It means a lot. Cheers. 618. Y'all are all worlds.
Happy New Year, Sensei. May our bags be more bountiful than ever before in this coming year. The Galactic Federation awaits our arrival, alien.
Yeah, it does. Well, I don't know, man. Evidently, we have to be some sort of dystopian one-world government in order for them to accept us. I don't believe that. I don't like that, man. It's kind of weird. Alright, I like the Constitution and the freedoms it allots us that no other document on the planet from any other country allots you. So I'd like to keep my freedoms. If I can't hang out with aliens, alright, but let me still be able to free to speak, free to protect myself from a tyrannical government and or mobs and riots of unhinged people, psychos. Alright, thanks, dude. So Bitcoin, there you go, man. Right, it's like pathetic. 60-minute, you can't rely on it. 4 hours, somewhat reliable, and 4 hours saying down next, not up. So and we got 15 minutes till your yearly candle close. 91 on the weekly RSI. You've already hit 2 profit taking levels on the trade setup, and you know, maybe you never get to 30K. Maybe you never get to 30K before the big reversal happens. Dude, really? So there it is, man. What a joke. Yep, it's about to start playing out now, it looks like. A higher high, hit a 1272, and you've just failed to break the 1272 again. So, alright, you know, it'd be great. Let it play out. Daniel Bernard, oh my God!
Worry too much. Everything is beautiful, there's nothing to worry about.
Daniel Bernard Patreon tipped $100. What started as a struggle, the back half of this year has been filled with gains and tremendous growth in knowledge because of your Patreon. You've become a mentor and someone to look up to. Happy New Year's, everyone.
Daniel, man, thank you so much, dude. Don't make me cry, alright? Cry tears of joy. Thanks, man. Wow. Y'all making my night. That's big time, dude. You know, this day is a time to look back on the year and the things that happened. And yeah, lots of good things happened, man. Like, for the people that wanted it, right? You had to say, I want to take what is mine. I have to take the knowledge. I have to invest in myself. I must pivot and grow. Right? Think about the lockdowns where you were stuck at home and businesses were closed. First time really ever that's happened, and it's very totalitarian and very tyrannical what's going on right now, and that's going to continue, right? This was the year that the switch was flipped. Okay, so you should expect more tyranny to come. More of it's coming, chat. So thanks, man. At least what we can do is make tendies together, right? Wow. So yeah, dude, 12 minutes, 42 seconds. This is your longest run on the clock situation we've had, okay? Because it's the ending of a year, all right? What's up, y'all?
Noise! Happy New Year to all traders. May God bless you and your loved ones. Check out Ren on the weekly, looks very interesting.
Thank you for an amazing year, Lord Ray. Wishing you health and prosperity to you and the fam in the upcoming new year. Thanks.
Thank you, Dima. Really, really appreciate that. Thanks for sticking around, being around. And, yeah. It's been a very interesting one. It's been a very bittersweet year, I guess you could say. Great money, but terrible other things, okay? Like our freedoms being stripped away. If you think your freedoms aren't being stripped away, you're out of your mind. You're like an NPC. You're crazy. You're like programmed by mainstream media if you don't think our actual rights and freedoms are being taken away from us in real time. It's happening. Just like Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs. Our freedoms are being taken away, okay? Anyway. Yeah, Ren, dude, you know, kind of held on and bounced, but it's just stuck, man. If you ever break 43 cents, maybe it can go up to 58 cents. But that is clearly showing that there's a big problem area. All right? You just can't break that high. 42 cents, man. Third time's failed, right? Look where you are already. 42 cents, now you're at 31.8 cents. Get wrecked, man. Just stuck, dude. In Stucksville. Alright, like where is even the... Okay, the bottom of the range right there. So it's like range-bound asset. It was showing accumulation, then it stopped accumulating and just showed the same... I mean, it still was accumulation technically because of this low, making higher lows. So between 22.4 cents, 42.4 cents, you can't break it. If you ever did, great. You'd have a real nice markup, but not until then, okay? You said look at it on the weekly, I'm sure. I don't know, man. Still looks like it's been rejected. It's making higher lows still, I guess, right? But eventually 58 cents if it can ever break 42 cents. That's it, dude. Oh, dude, I don't need to look it up. I know about it. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, if you actually know what's going on around the world, like, you can see China's like spearheading all this too.
In China, crazy stuff.
Thank you. They just print their own money and then they use that money to influence people in the West to push their agenda of just pro-communism. All right. Oh yeah, no big deal. They're feigning like, oh, we're not strong. No, we're weak, man. And they just keep doing it, man. They just keep pushing their agenda. Keep buying off politicians. Keep buying people in certain areas, and then you have the New World Order also, like the multi-billionaires that are bored, right? They have so much money they don't know what to do, so they're just, oh, we can control things now. We can make a better society, right? I mean, that's all happening in real time together. And 2020 was the year, again, the switch was flipped. So yeah, great reset, exactly. Oh man, look at this on the weekly. Well, maybe we should look at the monthly here because that's about to close. Yeah, it's about the same. Look at this, chat. Monthly candle about to close in 9 minutes, a little less than 9 minutes. Can we please do this? You're just right at it, man. You're at the old all-time high, the wick high. Your candle close. I'd like a candle close above that would be insane, dude. It would be the best ever. You see it scaled out really hardcore. So it'd be nice to see total market cap close above 761.72 billion. That's just not a thing yet. Even though, of course, we exceeded it insanely, right? It just doesn't matter. A candle close is always best. So, scaling back to normalcy. It looks close. It is close. It's very close. But I just doubt you're going to do it in 8 minutes, you know. A miracle would have to happen. Oh yeah, did not pass Litecoin. Well, we were looking at it, and it was above it. It was like literally a higher... Look at it. I still got it, man. Somehow, Polkadot's lower than Litecoin, yet it's higher dollar amount. Let's refresh, and maybe it's changed now. There it is. All right.
Bruh.
Polkadot's in the top 5, man. They might make it to the
Freedoms are
playoff
definitely
game this
being
year.
stripped the F away from us. The things people would say would happen to us 10, 15 years are now reality. Amen to the Constitution, and hopefully it reigns supreme above all. Low-light progressives, Happy New Year.
Yeah, dude. Progressives, like the ones in California that are trying to repeal the Civil Rights Act so people can be discriminated against. That's actually a thing. Yeah. What's up, BK Trav? Thanks for the 11. Wow, you tipped me an XRP, man. I don't want your XRP. I'm just going to convert it. It's just going to insta-convert to Bitcoin. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I bought Dot and you and I last night to flip, and they are pumping. What do I do? LOL.
I would prefer... Hey, Hex.
Lord Ray, my war Kev.
Hex, dudes. 54% up on the day. What do you even want, man? Hex. It's a scam, but my scam coin that's up 54% right now. Heading to the target. Heading to the second target of this. Yeah, who's laughing now, man? Yeah, who's laughing? Hex. What do you do, Jeffrey? I think you know better, man. You should never buy just cuz. You should have a plan before you buy.
This year. V-Chain might make me do my first line of go. Lol, totally joking, but V-Chain is a rush.
Bruh.
V-Chain's down today. I mean, you know, if it can stay above that high it broke, it's just still below that breakout. 1.99 cents, I think, is the top of the range. It's got to get through that, and then it would go to 2.6, 2.7 cents. Could have a huge markup. So, but yeah, I don't know about that, man. V-Chain making you do cocaine. I don't know, man. Sounds weird. Be careful out there, right? It's a controlled substance. No, V-Chain is certainly not with Walmart. There was a rumor last year that made it pump, and then it dumped after the rumor ended up being false. So no. Hear all these fireworks going on outside, man. What's up, Green Third Eye? Oh, 1776.
You are correct. The sole enemy of all of humanity is the Chinese Communist Party. We all must unite to wipe this scourge off the planet.
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know how we do it, since it's like, we live in a nuclear world, but it's a problem that we can't escape. It's so messed up, you know. Like the only thing we can do is just prevent them from. The West has to just go on strike against the Chinese Communist Party, right? Because like all they do is when they get in, they just try to use the fact that they're getting their money to influence. Holy crap! Look at this Hex, man. 58.8% up today. Is it about to hit target? Which is 1.5 pennies. Let's go, dude. Let's friggin' go. Well, dude, I mean, again, you're out of your mind if you think the Chinese Communist Party is somehow like not a huge detriment to the human race. There's no civil liberties, rights. People that speak out against them just disappear. They're like the epitome of what evil is. That party, what they've done, okay? And they forged it in blood with the Maoist revolution. So yeah, it's terrible, man. And look what, like, just teaming up with it. Look what partnering up with them has done. Joining the World Trade Organization back in the year 2001. It's been terrible. It's been awful. Why do you think there's so many problems in the West? Anyway. 3 minutes. Can we get a candle close above 761.72 billion? Total market cap would be amazing. So close. 3 minutes. All right, I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick. I mean, that beer just went right through me. Oh my God. Hex has now appreciated in value 108%. Are you kidding me? In real time. Look at this, chat. Oh my God. Second target hit and beyond. Oh my God. Are you kidding? That is nuts. I'm gonna leave it here. 2 minutes. I'm gonna be back before the yearly candle close. Hang tight. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the live stream. King. Here we go, chat. Here we go. 15 seconds till the yearly candle close on Bitcoin. Great stuff on Hex. That's incredible. Here it is. Here it is, chat. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
You probably can't because stock holders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
It's totally legal.
Smoke weed every day.
You worry too much. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
We did it, man. We friggin' did it. We survived. Well, at least Bitcoin survived a year and closed at its highest level of all time by far. Not even close. The last yearly candle close Bitcoin received was $13,791. What a joke. 2017 looks like a child, and now we have a king. All right? Very, very good. Thanks for experiencing this history, absolute history with me. What a year it's been. Wow. Can you hear me? So a new 4-hour, new daily candle has been born. And the last 4-hour candle is pretty meh. And now we have negative momentum. So the bearish divergence, it seems like, would be beginning to play out. But if finite supply on an asset, we've never seen, the one thing that's real, like, no, I don't think anyone can argue with it, is the inability to manipulate the supply of an asset and the fact that we have unprecedented demand on that asset, that digital asset. It will be interesting to see what happens here at our $29,000 with bearish divergence in the 4-hour, how it will play out, The thing to take from it is, in extremely bullish conditions, bearish indicators often underperform and oftentimes are not reliable. So let's see how I would love this to be extremely unreliable and underperform. If I forget it, performance, let's just let it not happen, okay? And all that has to happen is just buyers just keep buying. That's it. Bots. The bots just keep buying this. That would be utopian, okay? Everyone wants 30K by midnight. I mean, like, what is midnight? That's impossible. Like, midnight is not 1 hour. It's like every hour is a new midnight for people in crypto's global. So I think this was the most important hour because it's like universal time, right? UTC. Unbelievable on Hex though. It just closed out the day up 100% target of the trade setup. Hitman. Now we have to look at it for the first time together. The play out, the play-by-play, right? Here it is. Here it was, December 27th. It was like, oh man, no way. Bitcoin, the Christmas Bitcoin trade setup was too good. There's no way this can happen, dude. See ya. See ya. 1.88 pennies. All-time highs, really, too. You know, whatever about that inception, but higher than it was in November. Beautiful, dude. Okay, pouring some more beer because I mean, if that is not Hex at the end of the year, Bitcoin closing its highest level ever, if that doesn't warrant sipping some beer, I don't know what does, man. Nothing does. All right. I don't like Hex. I don't care about Hex. I loved the technical analysis on Hex. That's the difference. Okay, between me and some shiller of an S-coin. I don't care. It could have been a blank chart that had no name on it, no ticker. You just show me a chart and have a blindfold on the ticker. That's how it works. That's how we analyze it. God, imagine being so low IQ. You actually think I care about Hex and not the TA. Really? Okay, cheers. Yeah, happy candle close. Happy New Year. 29,047 on Bitcoin. Still, like another candle close, unable to break above the 1272 fib extension. You're gonna have to do it at some point, man. Just saying. Just saying. Oh, give me a decibel check. Is audio good? Is it too loud? Too quiet? Are we good? There you go. You just back tested the 1272. You ran up, you tested it, touched it, and that's it so far. Okay, people are shooting fireworks, alright. Yeah, Mick. It's funny you said that as the firework goes off, alright. Let's look at the daily real quick. I think it's just a big, just a nothing burger candle. I wouldn't consider that anything. Yeah, someone was asking, is it bear? There's no way bearish divergence can happen from this high to the higher high. No, just bullish convergence on the oscillators, really. Still have yet to see the golden ratio. It's just weird. It's like we exceeded the 1272, the 1414. Why can we not see the 1618? Man. Sounds good on the front lawn. Yeah, dude. Does sound good. So it'll be interesting to see. YFI has just begun its ascent. Let's see where the confirmed breakout candle takes us. Because this is the first one. Like yesterday, we were not broken out of the supply line. We have certainly broken out above a supply line and a horizontal line support resistance. Confirmed now on YFI. So, oh, Jesus chimes, forgot, right? Okay, man. That's it. Been live for a little over an hour. If you're enjoying the live stream, the yearly candle close, the record for Bitcoin, hit that like button, that bell. That's up. Thank you. What's up, Jim A? Man, San Diego State got blown out. That was awful, man. Anyone see the anyone catch the Mississippi State Tulsa brawl at the end? I just don't get it, man. Like,
you definitely made 2020 better for me. May the gains continue in 2021. Cheers.
Cheers, Grinko.
0.015000000 ETH.
Well, I'm glad to hear it, man. Yeah, let's keep it going, dude. Great community. What makes community great are the people in it. And that's you and a lot of other people here. So thank you, man. Just going back to that Mississippi State game and the brawl at the end. I've never understood throwing your fist at a helmet. What does that do? It's every single football brawl. It's like people throwing fists at face masks that are metal. Anything? Okay. Every brawl, man. I think on this one there were actually people with helmets off that were trying to hit people in the face. I think a couple people did get hit in the face. Yeah, maybe it's like, yeah, you're pumped up with adrenaline and you're freaking out. You can't even think about it. It's like, yeah, maybe. All right, so we got 365 days to go, chat. 365 until this new candle closes. Should we just stream until it closes again, chat? All right, it's gonna be a while. It's not starting well, is it? Bad start, chat. Yeah, hockey brawl is far greater because it's like they're sanctioned. People, you know, if you're on the ice, you can't use your feet. You know, and that's leverage, man, to make the power of your punch stronger and greater. So, yeah, 365-day marathon stream incoming. Just kidding. Wow, Hex is down 30% now. We don't care. We don't care because target was hit and exceeded. Here it is. Yeah, below the second target of the trade setup. Whatever, man. Yeah, this is what happens on low liquidity S coins, on new years, on new days, on new quarterly candles, on new 6-month candles. Yeah, you run up 108% in a day, and then you lose 30% of your value. So you're still up 70% on the day? Or is that how it is? Is that how it works? Yeah, Larry. Welcome, Larry, to the weird S-Coin world of low liquidity. Gotta wonder. Yeah, it kind of makes sense here. Bitcoin dominance just kind of stalling. It's okay. It's still going though a little bit, right? I mean, still above 70%. You know, has yet to test 72.25 yet. I think if Bitcoin sells off, that's definitely gonna keep rising, right? Wow, West Virginia beat Army. Dude, that quarterback for West Virginia, wow, so inept. I mean, he just like he created a lot of problems for them this game. Oh, no Hex dumped. We were just looking at it. 31% down after it jumped up 100% and exceeded trade setup target. Right. I mean, someone did. Someone literally bought Hex at like 1.8 cents because it wouldn't be able to sell. Right. Transaction has to happen between a buyer and a seller. So. Condell, it's Sandstorm by Darude. That's the name of this song, okay? Kyle, me too, man. Can't wait to see extremely entertaining team, right? Bama's offense, most entertaining team of the year, right? That's it. Like, how could you argue? Best athletes. You know, some of the best coaching too. My God, Sarkisian has killed it this year. Pickle Man, probably. I don't even know. Can someone tell me like the daily volume on Hex, the way it moves, leads you to believe it's extremely illiquid, and like just barely anyone touches this. I think Devontae will win the Heisman. He's the favorite, you know, and give Mac the other award. All right, what is it? The Maxwell. Yeah, no, Hex, dude. It's not about the trade itself. It's about the educational opportunity Hex provided to everyone here. There were probably 1,700 people watching when I provided the educational content to you, the viewer, to show you what can manifest from break, hook, and goes. The break, hook, and go on Hex manifested into, in the end, at the end, here it was, at the highest level, 188% appreciation in value. Do you hear me? 188% gains after a break, hook, and go confirmation was confirmed. So you take it all you want. You can take it, oh, it's a scam. But the people that are doing it right are taking the lesson, and then they can apply that to other charts across all markets and make money off of it. So Bitcoin's selling off, man. Get wrecked on the new year. Get wrecked, dude. $28,800. Not a good start to the year, but makes sense. 4-hour classic bearish divergence just showed its first level of negative momentum, right? $16 million daily volume. Wow, that's more than I expected, right?
Thanks for the daily content, helpful guidance, and all of your efforts over the last year, man. 0.126000000 LTC.
Is this your homework, Larry?
Larry, thank you so much for the homework. The $15.58 of homework supplies or something. Thank you, man. Litecoin, right? No, what was the... It's crypto, right? Yeah, it was a Litecoin contribution. Thank you. Litecoin in the jar and the same. Those are the best contributions, right? Oh, dang. Well, what happened to my ticker here? Hold on. There we go. Weird. Alright, we good. So yeah, dude, don't be surprised. We just had 4 days in a row of green. I mean, what happens if we show a red candle today? Wow, I'm going to be so surprised, man. Yeah, Happy New Year, get wrecked. Exactly. You read my mind. Less than 100 Discord members until 10,000, chat. You understand how close we are. Why could we not do this before New Year's, Eastern at least, right? Which it's 7:15 Eastern. We could get less than 100 Discord members by then. Easy.
Even if China releases Hunter Biden's 666 tape with Malia Obama and the underage Chinese girl, people still won't believe Biden is compromised.
Thank you, Bitcoin to the moon. Bitcoin Cash is a scam. It's a long name. 2 words, right? It's a guy, Yuri Bezmenov. Go check it out. Yuri Bezmenov. Oh, it's Ursula.
Is that a join?
What? I thought it was a 4.20. You broke it. I've never. Come on, Ursula. Oh my God. What the heck?
Is that a join?
Probably can't because stock market, right?
I mean, it's illegal, right?
It's totally legal.
Smoke weed every day.
God. How disappointing is that, Ursula? The one tip, right? It's so laggy that you can't even... It falls out of the jar. It doesn't even... Gosh, dang it, man. I wanted people to see that Ursula in the jar, dude. God. Thank you, Probsts. The Probsts. Hope y'all are having a good New Year so far. I hope your 2021 goes 10 billion times better than 2020. Which 2020 was great for Tendies, but man, there's more to life than Tendies, right? So I hope it goes great for y'all. Where y'all at? Y'all in Cali? Y'all in Texas? Where y'all at? Thank you so much, man. Wow. Beautiful. Very disappointing to see Stream Elements do that to me, man. I mean, how? How does it do that to me? Look at this tip, right? Josh Fizzle is going to tip 10 pounds. And no problem, dude. No problem.
Happy New Year, Mitch from UK. Thanks for everything.
Thank you, Josh, dude, for the 10 super chat. Wow. That's a coin flip, I guess, right? Ursula. Here's your coin flip, okay, pros? Let's see if we're getting lit or not. This is the battle that will determine if I get wrecked tonight, probably. You know, if not, I'm safe. If it lands on heads again, it already landed on heads once, right? Here we go. God. Okay. Oh, effing K, man. Yeah. Not 50%, 100% chance it lands on heads every time now. Wow, dude. Wow. All right, let me get this. I'll be right back. Good God. Join the Discord or be destroyed. Okay. All right, we're good. Swear fealty to the technical analysis be destroyed. That's right. And everyone's always for blockchain education and other things too. Is that it? Jeez, man, what a day. A day that will go down in history with Bitcoin's highest yearly close ever. Got 365 days to see what happens. Happy New Year. Get wrecked, Hex. It's yeah, man. Oh my God. Let's go.
He tipped $109.98. Sold a million hex that cost me $140 at the topish of that wick. Thanks, Mitch. If I wouldn't have been listening to you, I would have missed it. Flipman 0.150000000 ETH.
So AJI, it's a $225 contribution for a coin flip. I'll spin for you, but that's just the rule. That was low. Julia's got the charter, right? We signed it. All right, the mods signed it, and I'm protected by that law, so can't call me out because, again, it's written in stone. All right. And there you have it, right? Some people know the rules, right? Thank you, AJI. Daniel Smiths, man, let's friggin' go, man.
Daniel Smith's Patreon 618 to $250. I like being on top, Ursula. Session job.
Okay. Daniel Smith's Patreon number 618 likes to be on top, he said. Did you surpass him? See, you're still... Oh, I thought you were trying to surpass him as Session Top Jesus right there. Because, what is that? If you tip two... Oh, you should have. Right? You tipped $250 earlier. Did you make your name exactly the same? It's the exact same name. I don't know why I wouldn't update. Ursula, you just got surpassed by Daniel Smits. Wow. Probes never loses. Okay. Probes doesn't lose, man. So now it's... So technically the session top Jesus is Daniel Smits at $500. Okay. So, despite what session top says, I don't... Sometimes it just doesn't do that. Doesn't update. It's really dumb. So AJ, sorry your thunder got stolen a little bit. Thanks for the Ethereum contribution. Hey, it's a stable coin. I think that's Ethereum stable coin at this point, right? Thank you, man. So coin flip for Daniel. I swear, 3 in a row, I'm gonna lose my mind. All right, gonna lose it. Yep. Wow, dude. 3 effing heads in a row. Okay, I'm screwed. I'm literally screwed, dude. Unbelievable. I can't believe Daniel Smits just topped Ursula. And literally brought it up too. That's probably the worst thing you could do, Daniel Smits, man. You don't bring up to Probst or Ursula that you like being on top. Okay. One does not simply just do that. Okay. So wow. I'm priming up this other beer. I might just have to switch to wine at this point, dude. It's just so much like carbonation and bull. Pro's in here, man. Pro's in here. He dropped the freaking Elon ball. Go. Why does it keep lagging when you tip, dude? What have you done? What have you done?
Worry too much. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
Dude, you just don't do this, Daniel.
$250. Going for the juggernaut and no dispute over top Jesus. Wanna play?
Let there be no... Oh my god, dude. Alright, Smits, man. You have been once again topped. Okay. Ursula. See, you never like the rule with Ursula or Probes, you never talk to them via TTS. Don't ever call them out. Him or her out. Okay, because it's Ursula. It's also Probes. Okay. My god, thanks for the 1,500 people tuned in. Thank you so much, Ursula, for the 670 on the day. Yes, you heard it right. As the fireworks go off in the background. Incredible, man. Look at Theta go. What about Theta? Theta's down 2%. Who cares? Meh. It already hit 2 of the 3 targets of the trade setup. Who cares? Ursula has Ursulurped the top spot. Nice one, Jeremy, man. Nice one. The guy himself, who, like on the 420 contribution you just heard, that was Jeremy himself who sang that. So, look at Bitcoin recovering like it was nothing burger. Dude, Bitcoin crashed every New Year's Eve, dude. Kobayashi, are you okay, man? Do you need something? Need some drugs or something, dude? Just calm down, alright? We're gonna have someone sedate Mr. Kobayashi. He's in here again freaking out. Alright, that's his kind of his calling card. Freaking out about things. About Bitcoin particularly. Alright. Kobayashi's never able to fix his caps lock. Yeah, I know that. That's why we love him, I guess, right? Good lord. Alright, again, I'm got beers to chug. After this chug, I might chug wine after, dude, just because it's easier to chug or something. And who knows? Daniel Smits, I highly doubt Daniel. See, Daniel Smits called him out, but I don't think he responds here. Chat, what do you think? 1 in the chat if you think Daniel Smits actually responds to Ursula. 2 if you think he doesn't respond to Ursula. Okay. Let's see what y'all think. Wow, see the two's already coming out. Wow, lots of 2s. Okay. Okay, 2s. Kobayashi, we can't take anything you say seriously because you've been saying this whole bull crap for like 3 months now. 3 months, Bitcoin's up over 100%. So you're wrong, dude. You just lose.
Step aside. Big baller inbound.
Oh my god! Wood Division champ, thanks for the 299 super chat, the XRP that fell out of the jar. Thank you, man. Unbelievable. Okay. Letting this beer prime up just a little bit more. Concentration ability is starting to wane, right? All right.
My wife doesn't believe me that people are tipping real fiat on stream. Love you dearly and happy new year. Here's to a better 2021.
Yeah, that's normal what people think, man. That's why it's tough. Yeah, dude. It's people don't believe it. People that aren't from this community, they don't look, man. They don't see that I'm here 7 days a week and I'm trying to help you invest in yourself and talk about trading and swing trading and investing and all that stuff. They don't see that, so they think that I'm just some random guy on a webcam, like some Twitch thought who shows her butt and gets tipped by simps. That's what people think. It's like, that's not the way it is. I'm just trying to help people, like, for real. And it's happening. It's happened. Like, a lot of people have been positively influenced by the stream based on what people say in these tips. So this is real. This is what streaming was meant for, not what they've done on Twitch. What have they done on Twitch, man? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. RDX, thanks, man. Yeah, dude, you actually get banned on... You can get banned on Twitch for even saying the word thought now. Because it's become so rampant. I'm not shaking my butt. I won't do it. I've never shaken my butt and I never will on stream, okay? I had one shirtless stream because I lost a bet. That was it. And we did it on Twitch, ironically, right? Yeah. Anyway, all right, let me chug this real quick. Okay, I guess the twos have it. The twos have it. There were way more twos than ones. So it seems like, Daniel, it's no big deal, okay, if you don't respond. I'm grateful either way. All right, thank you, dude.
Bruh.
You hear the seagulls? What's going on, dude?
Bruh.
Okay, calm down with the birds, dude. All right, stop the chirping, the gulling. So just so you know, ever since PayPal announced that there will be mass adoption on their platform, Bitcoin has appreciated in value 72 days, 144% in value. Unbelievable, dude.
Bruh.
Sir Edwards,
Thank you, New
Tricom.
Year.
Thank you for the 1776. Yeah, it's broken. The jars. Look at all those graphics over there, man. I just too many graphics. Far too many graphics. Just play the Hey song for the heck of it. But that would devalue. That we would be pulling a central bank if we played the Hey song. We'd be devaluing it, dude. Better refresh the cache.
Yo, if we're gonna sit here and get trashed with you, play the Hey song just for the hell of it.
Look at Doge. Look at it up there. Just sitting there. Look at this. This is how broken the graphics are right now. It cost us all the Mega Elon emoji ball too. Ridiculous. It'd be fun to have to chug a beer on one of these lagged out ones and see if I could chug the beer before it hits the jar. Obviously, if this was it, I would have won easy, right? It's so sad because it like takes forever and then it unfreezes and it's so broken that it doesn't even hit the jar, just falls out of it. It's so dumb. See, people, Sir Edwards, people are just, or Wood Division Champ, people are literally just, they're gonna riot if we play the Hey song just for the heck of it. Oh my god. Dude, are you kidding me? The hammer comes down.
Daniel Smith's Patreon 618 tips $500. Hey song only for 80H.
Could we please get some hype in the chat? Because now the session top Jesus is Daniel Smits with a $750. Wow. Wow, dude. No one has challenged Ursula since maybe Vet Moonboy.
Here's the 2021 Patreon games. Spin.
Thank you, Irakanji Jellyfish, dude. Appreciate that, man. Much love. Oh, this is a good song. Can't believe it's on the list. Yeah, we'll spin. Well, that's another flip, right? We'll take a look at it. All right. Thank you, dude. Big one's hanging in there too. 28,953. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe someone's actually, literally, standing up to Ursula. No one stands up to Ursula except one person. That's it. One literal person. Dang, I haven't heard this song in a while. Wow. Yeah. Last summer, I discovered this song, and now there's a nice remix of it. Okay. No, that's not the person who challenges Ursula. There can only be one, and it's the Emperor Drink Troll himself. Alright, I'm going to refresh the cache here, because this is ridiculous. I'm so sick of this lag. Hold on. Great jar, amazing tip jar. We got to reset it, okay? 88 more members until 10,000. Are you kidding me, dude?
Daniel and Ursula need to stop flexing on the US.
On the US? On us? Hey, man, doing things. Oh my god, another one? Another link? Thank you, Daniel. My god. Alright. There's a new Discord. Let's get 10k before midnight, man. Now, Emperor Drink Troll. Jimmy, you're saying that. Jimmy, there's no way. You can't just call him out. He says, Emperor Drink Troll, if you're here, I'm coming for you with all love. No one's beating Emperor Drink Troll ever. Like, it's just not gonna happen, man. And that's not a big deal. Like, no one I don't expect it, and it's okay if it never happens. I'm just saying, mark my words, Emperor Drink Troll will always be the top Jesus right here, up here. Okay. It's just a thing. Yeah, Wood Division Champ is spam, dude. Yes, people are high. They're high on crypto. They're high on the new year. They're high on everything. Back to 29,000. We did it, chat. This is pretty interesting how pathetic bears are right now. I mean, this is really interesting, dude. None one. Don't be dumb, dude. Come on. All right. I mean, that's... Hey, you make your own bed, dude. Daniel, you should be at 1,000. Yeah, did one of yours get... You're right. You should be at 1,000. 250. 250, right? So you just have to... Hey, probes, we might have to go back to writing down with a ink and pen on a piece of paper again, because this thing's not doing a very good job. Daniel Smith's is at $1,000 on the day. Someone bat me up on that. Hold on, let me make sure. There's two videos. My God, the British are coming. Yeah, Daniel Smith is at $1,000. Yeah, so forget $750. Session Top Jesus is Daniel Smith's at $1,000 right now, chat. Okay, that's real. No, he did it. He's 1,000. He's 1,000. So Probes, maybe Probes has met his match now, dude. I mean, that's a very real possibility. I don't know. I doubt it, since I know how Probes size up charts, and it was 2020, which was like the best year ever for anyone, probably, if you were respecting the TA. But hey, who knows, man? I mean, I know Ursula had to buy like $10 trillion worth of dehydrated milk for Jake, but we'll see, man. Yeah, Hex is down 37%. Who cares, right? Hit targets doesn't matter. Who cares what Hex does now? Targets were hit. And maybe that should help you understand the mentality one should have. Hey, hit targets doesn't matter. What happens after targets are hit and exceeded? Okay, the asset hit 100% appreciation in value in less than 24 hours yesterday. New day, it's down about 37%. Okay, cool. But we did already look at it. You know that for a fact, right? We did look at it being down 30+%. So, yeah, Hex for trading, not holding. If one was going to do it. And either way, it was for education more than anything ever. Ron, no one's saying to buy XRP. No one. Oh, except Alex Cobb. Which, dude, that guy's lost it. He's lost his mind. It's just delusion. Like, he made a video last night. And I'm not trying to denigrate the guy. I'm just telling you, like, you don't make videos and say, this is not based on fact or evidence or data or technical analysis or fundamental analysis. This is based on literally nothing. And then tells you something as an influencer that's extremely irresponsible. You don't do that. You just don't do that as an influencer. Like if you have a webcam and a microphone and you're on YouTube, you just don't do that. If you want any kind of credibility later in your career, whatever, you just don't do that. You could hurt people. You could seriously ruin people's lives. I never tell people ever to buy something or sell something. I'll tell people maybe this is a great way to size up a chart, right? How to manage risk. But I'm never going to tell you directly to buy something or sell something. And if I'm going to do it, if I'm going to say one will want to do this, it's based on evidence, rationality, right? Trend lines, support, resistance, and edge on the market. It's not based on feelings. And that he did that yesterday, last night. It's crazy. So it's like, hey, I think the guy, he's a good guy probably at heart. But now at this point, it's like, listening to that is crazy. It's actually crazy. Don't do it. Don't listen to people that say they're not going to provide any form of evidence and they feel a certain way, so you should act on that alone. That's psychotic, man. And again, extremely irresponsible, where you're going to hurt people, okay? Dude, oh my God. I think people missed the point on Hex where it was an educational thing. It had nothing to do with it being a scam or not. I can't even believe, John Whitaker, you'd even say stuff like that. Like, really, dude? What does that even mean? Man, people, it's like, dude, it's New Year's. What are you doing? Why are you, like, trying to denigrate people on New Year's? But I'm trying to protect people. I don't want people to get wrecked. And like, if I don't ever tell people to buy and sell, and the only time I'm talking about, like, maybe actionable stuff could happen is with evidence and data, right? Never listen to someone who says straight up that they have no evidence, they have no data, they have no reason but feelings. Never just unsubscribe to that person. Don't watch those people. They're crazy. They're doubling down on being a psycho. They're doubling down on the bet they made that failed, but they're now trying to somehow make up. I don't know. It's delusion. It's a form of psychological defense that they're playing in their own mind. I don't know, man. Anyway, wow. Probe's lost. Probe's lost, I guess. All right. Stream tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do everything I can to show up. You realize, though, the Alabama Notre Dame game is at 3 p.m. my time. So what'll probably happen, dude, and then I mean, do I not want to watch the Clemson? I'd rather. I mean, you realize like why Bama's playing early, because it's probably going to be Bama wins, but we don't know about Clemson, Ohio State. It's going to be a closer game probably. So it's prime time. I want to watch that game. Like, I want to watch every freaking play of that game. So it's just, tomorrow's going to be tough. I'm going to try what I can. I'm going to do all I can to be here. Right? It's just tough, man. Dang, man. Animosity. Well, from a couple people that are very unhappy with their own lives, I guess. When I'm just trying to protect people, like, and if I see someone, even if I liked them and thought they were cool and didn't have a problem with them, when they start spewing off insane crap, I'm going to call them out on it. Because if you listen to that crap, you're going to lose a lot of money. That's exactly how you lose everything you have. Listening to people like that. Thanks for the 700 likes. Are you kidding me? What? How are we at 700 likes? Are you kidding me? Really? I don't believe it. Wow. Thanks for the 700 likes. It actually is real. Okay. Early stream. God, early stream. Zindico. How am I doing early stream when I'm chugging all these beers and it's New Year's Eve and stuff, and like we're gonna go party and do things, right? It's kind of tough. So Bitcoin dominance still in the 70s, and you gotta wonder if that climbs. What's gonna happen to altcoins, like real altcoins, like legacy coins? You know, the ones that came about in the 2017 era. You gotta wonder. Something like Bitcoin Cash, right? Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, that in the same day, that's what's crazy. Listen to me, look at me in the eye. Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, both of them, in 24 hours, were overtaken by Polkadot. Yes, Polkadot is now number 5 market cap size cryptocurrency of all of them. Number 5. It might make the effing playoffs, dude. I don't even know if Tether counts, you know, it's a stable coin, but I mean, I get it. But, you know, if you exclude a stable coin, it's number 4, right? This happened literally yesterday, which is, again, 45 minutes ago or something, right? Is it really? Nah. I don't know if I believe that. Certainly not. No, that's fake news. Sorry, someone was saying something that's wrong. Right now it's Litecoin and Polkadot are just like fighting back and forth about $100 million swisheroo, you know? So that who knows how long that could go on until one separates from the other. The fact that Litecoin's not crazily overextended and DOT is kind of insane. It's exceeded a gold mean ratio now. Did y'all hear this over here? This is Polkadot, the top 5 cryptocurrency now, randomly in a couple days. You know, above the gold mean ratio is $10, psychological resistance, and above that would be 1223, the 2618 fib extension. That's it. Subamasta, thank you. Yeah, definitely. But here it is. All right. It's like, again, the same thing that happened with Polkadot. Like, look at this. You know, Litecoin down here is a higher market cap, but Polkadot's in fifth place. Sorry. Yeah. So it's flipping around. It's like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So. Oh yeah, Andrew, my Twitter. Check my Twitter. Who just joined the Patreon? Ross, man, it was you jumped the gun, man. I know it's probably where you are. It is where you are. A new year, a new month, but where Patreon counts it, it's not a new year yet, dude. Ross. So Ross just joined the Patreon. The 31st best day. 31st best day, and yeah.
When you see both bearish divergence and hidden bullish divergence, which one to go for? It happened in BTC an hour today around 11 a.m.
Are you talking about different time scales? Because we did discuss that earlier, and you have 60-minute. You had 60-minute hidden bullish divergence on Bitcoin, but then you still do have 4-hour class A bearish divergence. So those are called contradicting variables at different time scales. The more significant time scale is showing the bear stuff, but why are the sellers not coming in? Because the thing is, like in really bullish conditions, bearish divergence like this, even on the 4-hour, can underperform, if not completely get invalidated. It's not as reliable. If we were in a 2018 bear trend, right, this would take us down hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. But in a trend like this, it's so difficult, man. So tough to say. Still just butting up against that 1272 fib extension. Look, man, you got negative momentum now. If it just keeps going sideways like this, man, and doesn't sell off, that's extremely strong. So it's not about which one is more powerful. I like classic bullish divergence far more than hidden. But what I really like to see, the combination that is the strongest, man, is on like 4-hour and above, right? Say on the 4-hour you show classic bullish divergence. That classic bullish divergence, if it played out, you're looking for the daily to be developing hidden bullish divergence. So on 2 different time scales, you're showing 2 different forms of bullish divergence. Preferably at critical supports looking left. That is the Jesus combination. Okay, do you hear me? Classic on the 4-hour and hidden on the daily, because you're already in an uptrend, and there's no way you could make classic on the daily because you're only making higher lows than the previous lows. So that is what is best IMO. All right. What are y'all talking about? Huh? What are you talking about, Ross? What about Ross? What happened to Ross? The Ross from the community? Or what? Make Bitcoin Daily says Mitch Ray TA saved me so much time and money. Great content. Learning TA on all types of S coins, including those not popular ones. No problems with that as long as we make money, Kanks. Wow, dude. See, I mean that's like that. Thank you, man, for the saying very kind words. Right? I mean, you know, you get people that got problems, man. Just trying to apply traditional technical analysis to S coins, altcoins, and normal traditional assets. Right? People just freak out about it, man. 45 minutes of Patreon seems a little steep, Johan. Just depends on how much you want to work, man, I guess, right? Oh, okay, I get it. My bad. Yeah. Ross, he joined. He got wrecked. Okay, I got it. Sorry, Ross, man. I know hopefully you're watching right now. You got to wait till it's really like 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, like California. That's where Patreon is, so that's the one.
Happy New Year. Thanks for everything. Was great finding you. Learned so much. And more patience. Smiley face. Could you take a look at ETH? More sell-off?
It all depends on Ethereum, Radish. Thank you for being a member of the community, and thank you for supporting everything we're about, man. All right, being a patron. I think you've come a long way too, man. It's not easy, right? It takes time to break old habits. It takes time to learn the way, right? The way. More selling for Ethereum. The dynamic is so uber Bitcoin, right? It's not about altcoins, even the second largest crypto. It is such, I mean, like, it's great that it's higher than it's been, right? But you know what I'm talking. If you've been following this asset, I mean, at least since like late November, you know how painful it's been kind of owning this asset versus owning Bitcoin, right?
Chug, if not, you got some catching up to do anyways. And folks, make your New Year's resolution count. Join the Discord, and remember, tomorrow is the best day to join the Patreon. Happy New Year and cheers to many more clinking beer mugs.
No show, Bill. Thanks so much for the attempt on my life, but it failed. Thank you, dude. Wow. Yeah, it is the first of the month tomorrow. So if you're thinking about joining the Patreon, just wait till it says the first. If you say someone lived in California, wait till it says the first on the calendar. So that means that's one of the last time scales or whatever. What is it? You know, what are they? It's one of the last ones, man, on the planet. So it's probably safe to just wait till, I don't know, man. It's tough to even describe it. Just wait. Just wait to join the Patreon until California's hit New Year's. That's all I can tell you. Dot was going to take a breather. It's up 1.3% today. YFII, you thought it was going to take a breather too. It's up 2.24%. So what say you? What of this, right? What of YFII? Pumping, dude. Isn't it funny the hate only showed up when Ursula and Schmitz were tipping me insane amounts of money? See, that's what it is, man. It's funny. It's like the tips trigger people. They freak out. They hate it. They can't believe it. They think they deserve that money, so they lash out in negativity.
Thank you, Mitch. Life-changing stuff. Let's go to Zem/USD and let's get a spin.
XEM. That Nemesis Connect. Thank you, Matthew. Yeah, dude. You, man, I can't even explain or describe how proud I am of you, man. Like, you've done so many good things, dude. It's just incredible. You have a very high aptitude. It's very easy to, on my side, it's very easy to discern high aptitude. And you're just one of them that has it. So thank you, man, for investing in yourself and proving to me at a very quick rate, like how you could just get it, how it just, you got it, man.
Happy New Year from Murdoch from the Guyver. The Mitch ratio is one of the only constants in my unstructured life.
Murdoch from MacGyver Connect, thank you for the threes, dude. And thank you for being around, hanging out, and thanks for the Cowboys, man. All right, Happy New Year. Here's your Nemesis. Very interesting chart. See, that's what I'm talking about. Matthew D just can size it up. Look, what was once resistance in September is now, for the first time, support. You have yourself, what, a bullish pin bar? YFII alerts going off. Up 3% now. Let's go. Hidden bullish divergence. No hidden bullish divergence on Nemesis, but a nice back test and a nice pin bar on the daily, right? That is not hidden because it's a low and then a lower low, technically. So just bearish convergence there. It was close, but maybe the 4 hours looking good. Gosh dang it. Hold on. Oh, maybe there's a little bit of a classic bullish divergence to the 4 hour. The guy over the goal line right there. That's nice. Very nice. Impending price action reversal to the upside from a low to a lower low. That lower low was a higher level of relative strength and a back test. Nice. But what about the creek? Are we jumping across the creek yet? Sire? Yeah, it looks like you're starting to jump across you are jumping across the creek right now, by the looks of it, right? Interesting. Just that little high point there. I mean, 1 and 2 and 3 and kind of 4 touches, you're breaking it. So it looks like Nemesis, NEM, is jumping across the creek, and the target eventually would be 28.17 pennies. Yeah, 28.17 cents. All right, man. Bitcoin's liquidating shorts right now, if you didn't know, on the new year.
Bruh.
Oh yeah. Big YFII. I'm gonna add an alert right at that 200 moving average. See if we can hit it. This is what happens, Larry. This is handed to you, silver platter, trade setup. If one was patient, they can win. If you're not patient, you're gonna be a loser. That's for a trader. That's it, man. Like, if you're not patient, you better learn patience. You better go through some tribulations in life to become patient. Otherwise, you're gonna get wrecked all the time, right? If you have no patience, you got no place in trading. None. You don't deserve any money if you have no patience in trading. One sec. So somehow Bitcoin's in the green. Somehow there's bearish divergence, yet there is no one selling on New Year's. No one's selling, chat. What's going on? Very clear textbook Class A bearish divergence, yet no selling's happening. It's just buyers, just people buying, buying, buying. Is it the fact there's no supply, or is it demand is so high? Right, it was just like 1998, and you got Charizard Pokemon cards going on Bitcoin right now. Danny Schmitz, congratulations on being Session Top Jesus and being the first person to ever defeat Ursula. Congrats, man. Cheers. Still though, right? You're like $8, $7 from that 1272. You tested it, and you just can't break it. It's very real. It's right there, man. A Charizard sold for $350,000 this week. That should... Is it really insane? Because the US dollar is... That's showing you how terrible the US dollar is.
Does it make sense to leverage trade an asset like PI? I entered only spot, but I have really not a lot of money for a big position.
I mean, I don't leverage S coins, but if you don't have much capital, I don't know, man. All right, I'm not going to be one to tell you to leverage S coins with no fundamental backing. It's really tough for me to be like that. All right, so one can do whatever they want, but I don't leverage S coins. So thank you, Radish, for the 565 super chat. What's up, Benjamin? Wow, what a name. You don't trade crypto, buddy. Put you on for pure TA. Learning a lot. Thanks. Sure, dude. Yeah, dude. It's like we're trying to apply traditional technical analysis to S coins because people want it. Like, there's a demand for people wanting to see S coins analyzed. So it's like, okay, if there's a demand, I'll provide it. But it's not like, you know, everything I learned didn't come from S coins or crypto. It came from stocks. It came from literal stock market. Okay. So we're just trying to apply what I learned over the past decade to this market. Okay, that's it. Sound sync is off. Bueller? What am I supposed to do if that happens, man? That might be you. I don't know. Is my sound and video off right now, chat? Hey, Zej, clout chasing's really ugly. It's a huge no-no, and it'll get you banned. So good luck on your channel, dude. But yeah, dude. Imagine me doing that ever on anyone's channel ever when I started doing this. I got 40K subs now, but guess what? I started August 2018 with 0 subscribers. And not once did I go in and clout chase on someone else's successful YouTube live stream. Never. Not once. Don't do it, man. It's ugly. Okay? It's taboo. All right, everything looks good. So someone was trolling or something. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, man. Don't be a leech. Don't be a leech, man. Gotcha, Brad. Yeah. Join in the afternoon on the 1st. You know, like if you're in the U.S. See, I was gonna start talking about that, Brad, but then I'm like, dang, dude, there are people on the other side of the world, right? God, it's like it's hard to, you know. I'm just like, just wait, man. Literally got a huge battle going on outside between the British and the Continental Army. Scary stuff, man. What's up, Luis? Happy New Year. 83 more members until 10,000 on Discord. Pathetic attempt by the community to get us to 10,000. Pathetic attempt like the Bulls. Trying to break us above 29,200. Pathetic, man. Just kidding. Been live now 2 hours and 2 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, the like button, the bell, that sub. Hey, look on the heads. Oh my god, man. We got less than 3 hours till your first 4-hour candle of the entire new year closes. And you cannot right now. Bitcoin is unable or unwilling to break above the 1272 fib extension at $29,080. As I say that, of course, it breaks above it. Get effed Bitcoin, $29,100 for the first time this year. Just hit. That's real, I guess, sure. I mean, that's a thing. I don't think XLM looks that great, actually. It broke above a critical support. Doesn't look great to me. Oh yeah, if it goes down to much lower levels, yeah, sure, it'll be great. Maybe XABCD. Zcash playing out. Zcash was like a 3-month plus hold. You know, if you wanted to play out, it was gonna take a while, man. So, hello. Where's the TTS? Did y'all hear the TTS? And before I start reading it and then it starts playing. Excellent, looking great. Check me on this one. There is a bullish garly developing. The PCZ is right around 12 cents. Imagine where I will be in a year, Daniel says. Daniel, son.
XLM is looking great. Check me on this one, there is a bullish garly developing. The PCZ is right around 0.12. Imagine where I will be in a year. Smiley face.
You see what happens, Larry? You see what happens, Larry? You see what happens?
Unreal. Unreal, dude. So we're watching Bitcoin at its highest level of 2021 right now. It's never in history of mankind been at $29,149.50 in the year 2021. Whoa. We get to say that, okay, because it's a new year. UTC. We'll look at XLM though. It did say smiley face, right? Yeah. Oh, I didn't say smiley face. There you go. Perfect. Now we're good. I've settled up with the TTS. Oh, we'll look at XLM. I'm just sitting patiently watching Bitcoin break to the highest level of all time in the year 2021. That's what I'm doing. It's just sitting there, looking here, listening. Dude, it's like
Look here! Look, listen!
appearing offline at $29,149.50 does not effing stop it. Do something. What's it just sitting here? Is my internet broken, chat? What's happening right now? Dr. Steven Weinstein, calm down, dude. Relax. Okay.
Happy New Year, man. Thank you for helping me build my TA skills this year. 0.000172224 BTC.
Smosh, thanks for the 502 of Bitcoin. Really appreciate it, man. And thank you for investing in yourself, right? That's what you have to do, man. Like, I can be here and we can talk about it, but unless you're willing to roll up your sleeves and do things yourself, I can't help you, right? So you decided to do that. So thank you, man, for doing that. All right, real quick. I don't know. We're so close, dude, on Bitcoin. Let's look at XLM real quick. They broke critical supports like a peasant. Yep, no edge either. Oh yeah, that's bad. 13.5 cents being broken is terrible. It's just back testing. The high. Remember that bullish cipher we had? Back tested it once. That's almost like an XABCD in itself, like a little harmonic right there. Wow. Is that why you said it looks great? All right, here we go. 29,170, highest level of the year 2021 for Bitcoin. Let's go, dude. Yeah, this is a little bullish. Oh my God. This is an effing bullish Gartley. A beautiful little perfect bullish Gartley on XLM. All right. We gotta go back to Bitcoin though. You saw that though, right? Bullish Gartley textbook out the yin yang. And here's Bitcoin, 29,187. Chat, we're like getting close to all-time highs here on not 2020 anymore, dude. 29,187 and change is our new all-time high for the year 2021. Okay. Bitcoin Cash is not up 8%. What are you, high? Mine says 0.93%. I don't know, dude. Dogecoin's barking. Remember, everyone was warned to ridiculous, absurd levels. You know? Oh my God. Let's go!
Probably can't because stock levels, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
A good Sears everywhere. Come get some drink, troll. Up 170 on my Tesla long.
170% on a Tesla long. Unlevered, it sounds like, right? There it is, chat. Finally, an unbroken Elon Musk emoji ball in the jar. The largest emoji ball that exists. Take a look to your left on your screen. Elon's smoking the reefer, and then Tesla, and he's smoking the reefer in the jar as Ursula tips the largest amount of the year of 2021. No one's ever tipped this year more than $420 now. That was the largest one. He's just doing it as Bitcoin hits 2021 all-time highs in its own way. This is all happening, dude. $29,200. Look what he's done. Thank you, Ursula, for now beating out Schmidt's man by $90. And Bitcoin's rallying and it's about to be at actual real all-time highs. 29,250 right there. Are you kidding me? Oh, 170,000. He's up 100. He's up six figures. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude. So he just was like, Schmitz, man. Schmitz. I don't even know if Schmitz still here. Daniel Schmitz. But dang, man, talk about one upped, 90 upped. You wanna call it that?
Bruh.
Hey Song, yeah, Hey Song will be played once Bitcoin breaks or tests 29,300. The Hey Song will play, an obligatory Hey Song, right? Because then we would be less than $100 away from you know what, right? All-time highs. Wow, dude, we're $25 from the Hey Song. Are you kidding me? Less than $25 now. Remember, they're sending out stimulus $600 checks everywhere, right? Today, yesterday. Grubman, is Ursula reserving the box suite for next Monday night? Yeah, I don't know if he is though. We talked about it, but nah, man. He said we gotta wait till Bama and Clemson win. We gotta do it, man. It's so close. And then we're gonna reserve it out in Miami, and Bet Moonboy is gonna be there. Kappa. Sorry, hold on. This is it, chat. $29,300 just tested. We arrogantly started playing it before then. We're about to be at all-time highs, chat. Let's add an alert. Add all-time highs. Barely just above it so we can freak out when it happens. We're scaled out like crazy, like madmen, women, and aliens. Alright? We don't need to scale out because we have the beep there.
Bruh.
And then, dude, it's seriously. Well, first off, it's like.
I just felt like streaming.
But.
And then, just like that,
we was about to be testing all-time highs again. With bearish divergence, who cares? Chat, we are so close. You have to understand. It's about to happen. Oh my god. Here it comes. Here comes the beep, chat. We did it, man. We're at all-time highs in 2021. Let's go, dude. Are you kidding me? 29,000 for the 400 for the first time ever in history. Since humans been walking the earth, we've never seen Bitcoin at this price. And we're going on the 1.415 extension at $29,450, man. What? What, dude? Mitzi, let's go!
Mitzi Moen Super Chat at $53. Happy 2021 Mitch.
What a 2021 it is. What a kickoff. $29,430 all-time highs. We're testing it as you're breathing, as I'm speaking. It's happening, man. Insanity. So, guess what? The poll was wrong. The poll lost. Because it is 2021 officially according to the charts. But, my God, maybe it's like before midnight Eastern we see 30K, right? Wow. What? That was a legendary Hay song right there, man. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Man. Imagine 30K at the New Year's New York ball drop. I don't know, man. I don't really think about dictatorship states like New York anymore. So, who cares? Maybe I'll think about it in Dallas, right? Or something. Okay. Herder, you can't have a restaurant in New York, dude. Shut it all down. Okay, dude. Sure. We're going to test that 1272, or I'm sorry, the 1414 pip extension. It's seeming very possible right now, right? Doesn't let me add it right on the dot. Scuba Steve! Yes, it did.
Scuba Steve tipped $25. The Hay song worked again.
It worked this time. But see, sometimes it doesn't work, man. And sometimes we have to spam it like 5 times, man.
Bitcoin just toying with Berkshire with top 10 ranking.
Yeah, it is. Back and forth, right? Berkshire had a good day today and supplanted Bitcoin as the top 10, and now Bitcoin's doing it again. Saying, what'd you say? My God. What's up, Ed?
Noise!
What's up, Corey?
Happy New Year, Mitch. Let's go, dude.
Let's go, Corey. Let's go. We're doing things.
Hey, hey, hey. Thanks for your TA, Mitch. Happy New Year, all. Big up Bitcoin.
Big ups, Bitcoin and Liquid Richard, dude. Pimp. Some of y'all will get that. It's only like a handful of y'all will get that. Big ups to Liquid Richard and Bitcoin. Thank you, dude. I can't believe this, man. I can't believe it, dude. Please don't talk about your horny level. Okay, it's gross. Don't talk about it, man. Just stop. Bitcoin's going higher. It's not something to be talking about your bodily functions. All right? God. You don't think I feel good about it? You don't think Ursula feels good about it? Alright, so we're just hanging out at the highest levels of all time on Bitcoin. Just hanging around it. And we'll have you. Be sure to join the Discord. We are less than, what is it? We're like 80 Discord members from 10,000, man. Can we please get 10,000 Discord members before 2021? It's so possible we could do it, man. So possible. Think about it. No matter where one FOMO'd right now, they made money on Bitcoin somehow, right? If one FOMO'd in on Bitcoin somehow, randomly, unluckily at 29,320, you have somehow are in the green, right? I mean, that's real. No matter where someone FOMO'd, everyone's winning. So it's just like, how could one be negative or butthurt or sad or be a crybaby right now? It's crazy, man. Assuming one hasn't sold. Sure. Yes. All right. I don't get it, man. Oh, yes, I do. Never mind. We're good. Because the beeps are working. Well, 8 YouTube subs away from 40,200. We can do that too, man. Bruce Lee or Chuck Norris? Probably Chuck Norris, because redhead. I'm redhead, so I don't know, man. Whatever. Flip a coin, that could be my answer too, I guess. I don't know, it's either Matt Damon, Chuck Norris, or Morgan Page, right? One of them. Remember, if you don't, or if you weren't here for it, the historic time. We gotta show you real quick, all right? Look at this, the new yearly candle chat. It didn't start this way, but it's off to a good start, man. What a great start to the 12-month candle. Each candle represents 12 effing months here on Bitcoin. We're in the green, man. 364 days and 23 hours till your 12-month candle close. All right, we're talking about maybe doing a marathon stream to the end of it, but it seemed like it might be a little bit too much time.
Bruh.
Oh, man. I can't control my level of enthusiasm. Something like that, right? So this is all. Oh my god, dude! Here, I'm gonna scale it in and out to make it look dramatic. Whoa, man! Whoa! And then it's like, oh, sound effects. You know, it's like. Dang, man, crazy.
Mitch, take a look at $RSI.
Sorry.
Bought
Wrong
around 0.009. Smile, curious to your thoughts.
Reserve your rights,
huge
Connect.
investors backing. Coinbase Ventures and Peter Deals. Rock on gesture. Cool face. Rock on gesture.
Actually, really good. Actually, pretty freaking good. yeah, I'm actually doing something that's kind of interesting here. I haven't looked at it in a while, so I don't know, man. Like, it broke back above this high from October. Right, that's the ice line correlation. All right, it's back above it, and so you think the next target for sure is like 2.2 pennies. It overbroke 2.2 pennies. Could very well be going to 2.8 pennies. I don't know. It's like you just got stepping stones. There's a lot of resistance, right? So the range was between 1.7 pennies and 2.2 pennies. So you're heading towards the top of the range. If you ever broke that, then you're going to 2.5 pennies. You ever broke 2.5 pennies, you're going up 2.8 pennies. It's all about the ifs. It's not about, oh yeah, dude, it's going to happen, man, 100%. It's not. It's just like, it's range-bound asset right now. Probably a creek, right? A little resistance here. Whichever wick you used right there. Supply line right there. You haven't broken that either. So it's a lot of work to do for this asset. RSR. All right, it's got to break the August 20th low. It's got to break the high November 30th. Got to break the high of December 18th, right, of this year. So that's it, man. 2.2848 cents or whatever. If you break it, 2.58. So it's like, it's not even 1 penny, man. So nice higher lows. I like the accumulation you're seeing at this point, but it's not simple because you have to break previous highs, and there's nothing on the oscillators that right now imply that. Nothing implies, oh yeah, you're gonna break it, man. So it has to happen. That's it. Oh my god, dude. Are you effing kidding me? Probes?
Please quiet.
Daniel Smith's mutual on 618 to $250. Have you taken a look at total? Daniel Smith's session top total.
I have now witnessed the total. I like totals. Thank you so much for totals, man. Yes, your total now is... Why is it not updating? Maybe it's something to do with numbers in your name or something. It's not updating. But what is it now? That's $1,250 session top Jesus. Ursula, you've just been supplanted. Don't bat me up. $1,250 from Daniel. Now, right? Bat me up on that. Yeah. Daniel's, it's not, for some reason, it's not showing up. It just happens like that sometimes. I think it's like the longer your name is, the higher the chance it's gonna not read it right. And if there's a space bar off, it won't. It's just dumb like that. So, Daniel Smith's, I think, is at 1,250. So Ursula is not session top Jesus, though it says it up there now. Wow. I have no words. What's up, Green? Third Eye. Bitcoin's just flirting around with all-time highs. This is crazy. Crazy. It's New Year's, man. New Year's.
Glad I invested in rat poison. Buffet's comments annoyed me so
Buffet.
much. Hope he gets wrecked versus Bitcoin. Thanks again, Mitch.
To be fair, I think that was in 2017, right? Before the bubble
Get
popped.
wrecked Buffet, get wrecked P2BS Eater, get wrecked Bears, get wrecked Pu Jinping, get wrecked Ursula. See you next year, Mitch.
You hear that, Ursula? Get wrecked. Okay, we now have people revolting. Okay. Thank you, Green Third Eye. Thank you, Josh. Thank both of y'all. Yeah, I mean, like, whatever. Like, Warren Buffett said, I guess before Bitcoin, he'll augment this, but he said, like, the worst thing he did was he didn't get into tech in the early 2000s because he didn't understand it. And I think that's probably the same. He repeated his same mistake. He didn't understand Bitcoin and what they're doing with the US dollar, and so he repeated it, right? You're destined to repeat mistakes you don't learn from, for sure. Here it comes. I don't know. That's a vague pronoun. It is a vague pronoun, and we don't know. And total market cap totals is $766 billion right now, man. That is all-time high. I look left, back from 2017, at least on TradingView. We are above the levels we had seen before. Oh my god, dude. Let's go!
Ursula took $250. Wait, Flip a coin Ginger Jesus, KCIX, Run Daniel Smith's DB, KG Baba.
Run Daniel Smith's date of birth, KG. Oh god, dude. Yeah. Last person you actually want to talk about totals with is Ursula on that front. Inside joke, but not really, but it is, right? So Ursula, thanks so much for the $1,340 on the day. And you've just taken Session Top Jesus for real again, and that's over Daniel, and he's currently sitting at $1,250. So it would take him $100 to retake his spot as the Session Top Jesus. All right. Wow. And yeah. Hold on, I gotta reflip it because it didn't land properly. It has to land properly in my hand when I'm looking away for a real flip. You realize this is broken, right? That's 4 now. 4 in a row. It doesn't make sense. It's broken, dude. It's literally broken. Start flipping the Bama coin. That landed on heads too. Jeez. 29,379. I mean, like, oh, dude, we're gonna go make it to Times Square to hang out with 5 people with masks on. Oh, just kidding. Let's just watch Bitcoin. Far greater ball drop here, right? $29,400 again. We're about to be at all-time highs, Chad. We're about to do it. Here it comes. There it is. There it is. $29,420 first time ever.
Is that a joint?
Probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
Come in, Ursula!
Bruh.
Beautiful. Here we go. All-time highs again. We're about to hit the one. We've hit the 1414, chat. It's done. The next target after the 1414 pip extension is 29,979. You understand what's going on right now. Shorts are getting wrecked. They're getting liquidated. Multi-million-dollar buy orders coming in like nothing. Where's this money coming from, dude? Who's buying this, man? Probes, you effing seeing this? I know you are. This is crazy, man. Okay, so we've hit the 1414. We just tested it. We'll pull back a little bit. We're right back at it now. So after this one's 30K. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Is that what we're supposed to say, man? 29,470. First time in the history of humankind. Okay, you think about our ancestors that walked this earth. Guess what, dude? Bitcoin was not at 29,470 then, but it is now. I think that's pretty amazing, dude. Here it is, 29,490, 29,491. That's all-time highs, man. We're just hanging out on New Year's Eve like it's a joke, dude. And we have a new yearly candle as well. It's already been painted. It's already begun to being painted, whatever. 2020's paint has dried. 29,496. 98. 29,500 hit for the first time in history right now. Thanks so much for being here. This is incredible, man.
Bruh.
Hey song. Everyone wants to hey song again, dude. Y'all loving the hey song, man, right? I get, we're not overplaying it because we're playing it at the right time. We're not like playing it at random times. This is all-time high song, so it's like, can we break the 1414 for real? Can we do it, chat? Hayes in the chat.
Hype in the chat!
This is crazy. 1,752, y'all here. Thanks so much for being here. All right, it's a special evening, but not because it's New Year's, because it's Bitcoin. We got this, man. We got this. Man, Arkansas and TCU are supposed to be playing right now, and they canceled the game because they're scrubs.
Bruh.
Oh my god, man. We're gonna do it. This is so ducking good. I agree, man. This is ducking amazing. So you understand the 1414 fib extensions being respected right now, at least for a few moments, isn't it? Oh, Litecoin's breaking. It's breaking the supply line. Let's go Litecoin too. Here it is, Litecoin, man. To me, it's not, Phil. Look, man, how is it breaking the supply line? It's not.
For our ancestors.
Is that a joint?
That's right, Detroit style. Thanks for the 420, and thank you so much for contributing for our ancestors. Let's go, Dad. Ethereum, not doing anything, dude. Just nothing burger. I mean, holding inside this little mini structure, right? But Bitcoin, the star, of course, like always. Remember that time hidden or classic bearish divergence, and then we were about to go negative, and it's just like, nah, we're gonna go positive and invalidate the living crap out of this. That would be the most hilarious thing that has happened so far in the year 2021. My God, I'd laugh so hard. You obviously cannot ignore the 127 or the 1414 fib extension. So that's what it's hitting. Name of the song, it's called Sandstorm by Darude. That was the name of that song, okay? So check it out if you want to. It's a good song. Great song, right? Chat, back me up on that. What's up, Derek? Tip jar's already broken again. Thank you for watching, man. Thanks for supporting the community, dude. Alright, here we go. Button up against it. We're butting up, man. We're twerking up against this fib extension, Derek. What's up, Charlie M? Unbelievable, dude. Tip jar just gets destroyed.
Happy New Year from Charlie and Deandra Smile.
Charlie and Deandra, thank you both for the contribution to the stream, and sorry about the lag. Too much hype, so FPS gets wrecked. Okay. So this song right now playing is also it's a different version of the Sandstorm song by Darude. You just had to take my word for it, okay? This is also Sandstorm, the polka dot remix. Yeah, been live now for 2 hours and 34 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, if you're enjoying this Bitcoin all-time high, record-breaking pumpage, hit that like button, that bell, that sub, man. We are less than 85 members till 10,000 in our Discord. I'm spamming the link now. Join it so you can say in before 10K, because I doubt we stop growing at 10,000 members, dude. Here it is. We're breaking the 144 again, chat. 29,460. What's going on? Something's going on. What's up, Andrew? Sorry about the lag. I'm about to refresh the cache again. I'm sorry, Probes, man. The Elon
Happy New Year from Sydney.
Emoji is beautiful, but it's just everything's broken, man. Here we go. 29. We just hit 29,499 again. $1 away from the all-time highs that we just hit. So. A few moments before. Alright, I'm refresh this cache. I got to, man. It's so dumb. Alright, refreshing. There it is, $29,500 and 1 penny up there. 3 pennies or something. We're at all-time highs. Oh my god. Someone bought 50 Bitcoins? What? Did they? Well, it looks like they're not done, Scuba Steve. They bought 50. They probably buying 50 more right now. There's only one target left, and it's $30,000, and we're only $500 away which is kind of like becoming nothing burger on Bitcoin. Yeah, Washington crossed the Delaware, and now we're about to win the Revolutionary War at $30,000, dude. It's over, okay? Redcoat's gonna sign over the keys to the castle to us once we hit 30K, all right? Elon's probably already gotten into. We know he's personally owns Bitcoin, I think, but when is it going to be when Tesla starts putting some of its funds into Bitcoin? I'm telling you, it's probably going to happen.
Huge thank you for the sick fat morbidly obese gains this year. It's been unreal. The best is yet to come, my friend. BTW, where is 2K Renee?
I'm sorry, I can't think about people that have no credibility that are spamming. It's going to dump every day, you know, the whole year when Bitcoin's at $29,511 all-time highs. Sorry, dude. Thank you for the 20 super chat, though. Jimbo, man. Much love. We're just hanging out. Hanging out at history together.
Spin.
Dude, I'm so screwed. I think I owe like 2 chugs now or something. Because 4 flips in a row. 4 in a row landed on heads. So you just can't win when that happens. You're gonna lose. So here we go, 29,527 chat. We've never seen these levels before in history. Thanks for being here for it. Wow, shorts getting absolutely devastated. $1 million for the shorts just seconds ago liquidated. Wow. It's crazy, man. Ethereum pumping? Nah, just kind of keeping up with Bitcoin. Yeah, you know. All right, looks like Probst wins. Daniel Schmitz, man, thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate the effort you put forward. But how does one beat Probst, man? Or how does one beat Ursula? I don't think one can, right? We got 1,000 likes. Are you kidding me, dude? Thank you so much for the 1K likes, man. Beautiful. Is it real? Yeah, about 2,000 people tuned in. 1,900 people tuned in. 1,012 likes. Thank you all so much for that. I love, dude. And we're just watching craziness unfold on the new yearly candle. Out the gate. Great start to 2021's yearly candle for Bitcoin. It's crazy. Crazy, dude. It was a good song too. Yeah, not much time left for the East Coast. What, 3.5 hours or so? So maybe we get it to 30K before that, at least, before it hits New Year's in New York, right? What are we up to now? Dang, dude. Thanks for the new members joining the Discord. Was that 75? No, 65 members till 10,000 on Discord, dude. Come on, 65. We could do that during this pump, man. Yeah, dude, this is also Darude Sandstorm, just a variant of it. It's not a big deal. Don't get worried about it. Don't freak out. It's a great song. Just the people were going to ask what the song was, okay? I can't be sipping on this beer when I owe chug, so hold on. Let me get this other beer. I'll be right back. Like button, bell, sub, Kings. 1,900 people here. Thank y'all so much. We'll set all-time highs, man. We're struggling. We got that 1414. We got a breach. And after that, the promised land. 30K. Also breaking the seal. Be right back. Hey, alright, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, so I'm about to pop it, man. Why not? We're just gonna chug some champagne instead of beer. Since I owe, alright? Alright, dude. Here's the noise. You can hear me, right? Here it is. Hopefully it spews everywhere.
Hype in the chat!
We did it, man. Alright. ASMR. Can you hear it, dude? Can you hear the bubbly? As we're just testing the 1414 again. Thank you so much, Bitcoin, for chilling out while I took care of things. Thank you. I think it's the same as wine, you know? Wow, dude, really nice. Look at this pour. Beautiful pour. I should be a mixologist or something, dude. What a joke. All-time high in total market cap. Well, yes and no. Spin for some rainbows.
Scuba Steve tipped $25. Spin for some rainbows.
Spin for rainbows, chat. Okay, we're safe. Thank you, dude. Yeah, I don't know if I could sustain playing the actual game now. There's too many chugs, man. It's like this is a champagne amount. Okay, dude. Mother of God. Something's going on, dude. Something's going on. I'm getting a little freaked out. Track name is, this is Darude Sandstorm. Sandstorm by Darude. That's the name of this song, if you were wondering, okay? I mean, it's just telling you the track name. It's not a big deal. Don't get mad at me. It's 5 ounces. Dude, this stuff is not a joke, dude. This is not beer. This stuff will get you wrecked. If you drink champagne, you know what's going on, dude. Happy New Year. Oh. Oh, God. That is not good, dude. That's what I'm talking about, though. Okay, look left. Oh. Champagne was a bad choice. Like milk, right? So we got ourselves, all-time highs back in 2017. You're above it right now. You're breaking it. You're breaking it like a caveman. Enjoy the ride. Yeah, I'm gonna be spinning like crazy. You know what's pathetic, man? Like always, you didn't close. You didn't get a candle close above it. Now you're doing it like most of the time. So you understand, like, kind of, there's nothing up there. There's like, you know, we could do fib extensions, but like the reason I have like 848 up here, 850. Oh God, this is not good, man. The reason I have this up here is because if you go to CoinMarketCap, and it includes like the BitConnects and the trash of the world, the all-time high on that was like 848. Okay. Oh, sorry, dude. Carbonation made me burp, man. Hey, we're back above the 1414 fib extension on Bitcoin Connect. Yes, Bitcoin Connect. 58 more Discord members. Probes would be pleased with that number. He would say no more people join the Discord ever again. Excuse me, man. It's super dry, I think. Extra dry, it says. Connect. Anyway, alright. Good thing I didn't need to use that. I was like fully expecting that it would just like overflow and be disgusting and make a mess, and it ended up not doing that, thankfully. Ethereum's eyeing 800. I would say fake news. I mean, dude, you're not going to find a bigger believer of Ethereum hitting 800 than me. But the fact is, it's broken above all resistance, and it's just not doing anything. It's just like, what needs to happen? Normally when you break resistance, there's no more sell orders. But for some reason on Ethereum, there are sell orders every single dollar above the last resistance. It's weird. No one cares about support resistance on Ethereum anymore. It's just like, meh. It's like price suppression going on Ethereum right now. Really. It's just not doing what assets normally do when they break major resistance points on weekly, monthly timescales. It's not. And that's what's perplexing about it. And it's been that way. It's just like, yeah, second largest crypto holding it, great, waiting, but be a skeleton. It's gonna be that meme, the meme of the skeleton sitting on the bench, waiting for Ethereum to hit $800 or $794, right? The next resistance on the weekly. Anyway, that kind of pisses me off, people would say. No, we're good, dude. Just let this champagne hit my bloodstream. Okay, and things are gonna get a lot more whack. It's gonna be whack. Thank you again, Ursula and Daniel. Like, you know, joking aside on the tip war and stuff, we knew Probst or Ursula wouldn't lose to Daniel. Like, I mean, we kind of knew that was happening, and that's not a big deal. It's no one's fault. But Ursula had not been challenged in maybe 2 years. 2 years, okay, maybe a year and a half. I think someone maybe did, and it kind of fizzled out. This was a more legendary battle than the last one, I think, that someone valiantly attempted to take out Probst, but it's just not going to happen, dude. Anyway, seriously, despite all that, thank you, Daniel and Probst, Ursula. It's just magical, man. Y'all are incredible, and I'm very grateful, all right, that y'all are part of this community. For real. It was a good battle, Matthew, I agree. Culmination with Bitcoin pumping, dude, that's great. It's like a movie, okay? A little loud. It's a little loud, yeah. Sugar gonna jack me up? Yeah, probably, dude. Probably not enough to keep me out of keto, though, so I've had 0 carbs since, I don't know, I had 4 carbs, I guess, technically, with the beers. Maybe 6. So it still would take me like 35 carbs, 40 carbs, maybe even 50 carbs to kick me out of keto, so. But look where Bitcoin is, man. We're about to break the 1414 again. This is beautiful. This is very little selling pressure coming into a markup. A markup. We're in price discovery mode. Bearish divergence, bearish indicators are failing terribly right now. It's pathetic. Now we're breaking it. 29,000. Wow. 29,480 for a second again. Look at this price action. Many bids coming into Bitcoin right now, chat. I know many of you out there are like, people are buying Bitcoin at $29,500. Dude, I was happy with $11,000. I was genuinely satisfied with $11,000 Bitcoin. I can't believe. I seriously can't believe this. Still, this is unreal. This is life. This is. Many of our lives have changed forever because of this. So much. Word of the day is whack. What's up, EB? Thanks for the burst coin in the jar. Jeez. Thank you, man. Burst coin. I know. We need to replace that. Someone paid me money to get that graphic created for the jar. I think they were maybe shilling it. Burst coin. Reserved for the $7.77 variation. We might need to do a purge on that. Just like Kin coin, we need to make it Cardano, and then the 7 burst coin needs to turn into something else. I don't know, man. I don't know what that is, man. Joe, thanks for the 3 super chat.
China to me, China.
Hey Mitch, it's your best friend. BTBT, please it cool.
Well, even if you were my best friend, are you talking? Is that a crypto? BT. Definitely sounds like some run-of-the-mill, weird, low-cap S coin that may not even be on TradingView, right? No, it's Bit Digital. Okay. Nothing I can do here, man. All I can tell you is it's gone. It's crypto-related, probably. You know. Okay, sweet. It went to moon. $21.91. All we can do is high to low here. I wish you'd asked about it down here. Golden knee ratio, mother of God. It like closed the day on today above 2170. So that's it, man. That's like potential reversal area. If I ever broke that, $25, $30, then the 2618 is $34.93. No TA to do here. It's one of those equities tied to crypto, right? I bet Bit Digital. It sounds like it, right? Finance, rental, leasing. I don't. It sounds like Bitcoin, but hey, hidden bullish divergence was going on in a way. December 16th. So if you had requested the asset before the run up, maybe we could have said something about it. But if you request it when it's up 44% in one day today, nothing I can do. You can't look. Hex, right, was up 108% today or yesterday, right? But we identified a slight edge that developed on that scam or S-Coin, whatever. Go ahead and attack me for even talking about it. But 108% yesterday, but days before, 2-3 days before, it was showing a break couldn't go confirmation off a range. So, right, those are the times to be asking about Hex. Someone requested it too. They're like, "What's going on with Hex, man?" I'm like, "Oh God, here we go." And I look at it, I'm like, "Dang, break couldn't go on the daily." And then after the break couldn't go, it was up like 188% since really the entry of the trade setup. 188%. Bitcoin 29,483. It's not effing around. Bitcoin is not screwing around right now. It's not drinking champagne. It's drinking Gatorade. It's doing power cleans or something, man. Let's go, dude. I'm in the chat. More champagne, I guess, right?
Good God gracious, I did not whack my account for all day.
Baba G, what's up, dude? What's up, Baba G? Baba G's in the chat. See what he said. Something about something, right? 1,769 people hanging out. Thanks for the 1,112 likes. I bet we could get 1,200 likes in seconds if y'all truly wanted. You just hit the like button, not for me. Do it for Bitcoin, right? Good God gracious, I did not waff my account all day, men. Baba G, I'm not sure what that means. But hopefully it's positive. Did anyone decipher what Baba G meant by that, dude? EB, man, oh God.
Bruh.
Thank you, EB. Wow, what's up, dude? That was funny, dude. It created a meme.
EB53 tip $30. One of my favorite streams this year was when your lawn care had the leaf blower full throttle for about 45 minutes straight. Hilarious. Happy New Year. 2021 stacking sods.
Yeah, it was happening when Bitcoin's pump. It was a Bitcoin pump stream too, right? We've had a lot of those lately, but it was like one of the initial ones, right? We were not quite at 20K or whatever. I think we were in the 16s, 15s, 14s or whatever. We were on the way up. We were up and up. So yeah, dude, that was hilarious. And now we have a Mitch Ray Yard guy in the chat. Okay, all the time now. Thank you, EB, for the 30. Kangs, man. Hey, it's Grub, man. What's up, Grub, man? Grub's nervous about Ohio State. I talked to him. He's definitely nervous, man. Glad I don't have to be nervous about Notre Dame, man. It's gonna be easy. I say that. Those are always your famous last words, right? Very, very monk-ass. Oh, what's up, Baba G?
Did not watch. I meant, did not watch all day, usually every 10 minutes. We could not even stop this if we wanted to. Sorry, mistype excited. So I said good God gracious.
Good God, gosh almighty. Thank you for the good God graciousness, Baba G. No, I was messing around with you, dude. Yeah, who could watch? Who's caring about crypto on New Year's Eve, man? Most people shouldn't be. But the thing is, What I've been saying this whole run, Bitcoin is demanding. It demands everyone's attention. That's what's happening, man. No one can ignore what's happening. And for the people that did not participate in this asset, that are now wanting to participate, they have only themselves to blame, and they're only looking to the people that did participate before for guidance. How many of y'all getting texts, getting messages? Hey, man, I remember you like that Bitcoin stuff, man. Can you tell me a little bit more about what's going on, man? This is crazy because if someone owned Bitcoin at levels that we saw this summer, a decent amount, and you're looking at now, people's lives have changed. Financial independence has been created multiple times over now. So people cannot ignore that because it makes life a joke. Oh, working 9 to 5. Well, if you just invested in Bitcoin, if you just owned Bitcoin, you wouldn't even have to do that. Your life's good. You don't have to answer to a 9 to 5 with this type of markup that we've seen in Bitcoin. This historical run again, and it may not even be over, man. Look, we're at all-time highs as I'm speaking to you in the new year 2021. Undeniable performance that's making everything look stupid, except the people that they perceive to be maybe stupid for caring about this asset just 3-4 months ago. Wow, the irony, the poetic justice, really. Whew, beautiful. Happy New Year, everyone. Cheers. Kickboxing community, probably right, man. Probably effing right. Hardcore. Valerie, oh my god! Let's go, Valerie.
Happy New Year, you beautiful man. Lives have been changed. 0.00169.
Lives have been changed. Thanks for the Bitcoin contribution, dude. Much love. What's up, Michael?
I'm not super vocal, but I just wanted to thank you for showing up every single day. It's not only educational, but it's one of the most entertaining shows on YouTube. Happy New Year's, Mitch.
Michael, Happy New Year, man. Thank you so much for the kind words. $10 super chat. Valerie, right? I mean, both of y'all right there. Thanks so much. Thank you for the kind words. I don't know about that, man. I don't compare myself to anyone else who does live streams on YouTube. I have no idea. You know, it's all subjective. I'm probably not the most entertaining, but to you, I am. And I'm very grateful for that opinion, okay? Y'all hear this, right? We literal redcoats right down the road trying to take over America. I'm about to have to get my gun out. We're about to do things, dude, all right? Just kidding, of course. Just literally just kidding. My God, if you think I'm serious, you're out of your mind. I'm drinking alcohol. We're having a great time watching history unfold. A very strong generational wealth change is happening right now. And it's happening for people that are participating heavily in Bitcoin. Yeah, your life's changing if you own Bitcoin, if you've owned Bitcoin since this summer. No ifs, ands, buts about it. Ifs, ands, buts about it, excuse me. Sorry. Alcohol is affecting my cognitive abilities at this current time. A little bit. I mean, what do you think is going to happen when we play drinking games and when you hit the friggin' heads 4 times on the game? Yeah, I'm going to get wrecked, man. It's going to happen. Yeah, I tweeted Peter Schiff. He didn't respond today, so told him about XAU to BTC hitting fresh all-time low today. So anyway, back to history. Total market cap, at least on TradingView, right? Never before have we seen levels this high. It's great. It's great, man. Get my musket out, man. Oh, buried it in the yard. You know where it is, yard guy. So.
Screw a happy new year's, thanks to Mitch, it's a happy new life. Get trapped.
Gorilla Glue, thanks for the 5 super chat, man. Well, I mean, if I'm ever to be considered a part of your life that changed you for the better to maybe make you get independent, that is extremely humbling, and I appreciate that, man. Thank you for the super chat, man. Oh my god, he's saying hey. Whoa, Daniel Smith, you kidding me, dude? No way.
Daniel Smith's Patreon 618 tipped $100.01. Bullets
1
getting
cent.
expensive. Hi Ursula.
He just said hi, Ursula. I can't believe this. Slapping Ursula in the face with a hi. Unbelievable, dude. And of course it's not updating. Session Top Jesus is busted, man. So now, right? Ursula's been supplanted as the Session Top Jesus. So what's the number now? Someone bat me up on this. What is what's 1250, 1350 and 1 penny. All right, so Probes, Ursula, you're now beat by $10.01, right? Yep, 1350 and 1 penny. Probes, I've never seen this before. I mean, or in years anyway, since Fat Moon Boy made his appearance, right? This is crazy. This has never happened. Wow. I mean, like, in near-term history. Wow. 9 p.m. Eastern. Bitcoin 29,450. Ursula getting dethroned. And Ursula might be sweating now. Like, for real. This is crazy. I mean, wow. If you've been a member of the community for a long time, this is crazy. If you're not, okay, what's going on? I don't really know.
Brothers hold a special place in my heart. Now never thought a male would, but it's facts.
Well, Gorilla Glue, that's, hey man, if I'm able to help your life, I'm very happy about it, man. Thank you, dude. Jason Feller, hype in the heaven chat, man.
Jason Feller with $102.32. My bro, thank you for bringing us through 2020 to the promised land. See you in Miami when BTC hits 100K. LFGGGGGG.
Yeah, either when Bitcoin hits 100K or maybe when Bama goes to the national title game. Maybe. I mean, dude, like, hey, want to go to the game? Everyone's like, nah, dude, I got kids. I'm like, okay. Just maybe not go. So, yeah, thank you. We'll make our way down to Miami at some point, dude. Thank you, Jason, for the $102.32, man. Much love. I think it's such an appropriate time to bring up that meme, dude. Right? The meme, the one that they created about Bitcoin, the no coiner, what is it? The no hope, the cope, the rope, the no coiners that will be asking you about your coins. I'm serious, man. We're all here for common reason, and we're all here because we were the ones in real life that believed in something, maybe, right? We believed. And no one around us, our peers, didn't give a crap. We ever talked about it. Their eyes glazed over. They thought it was a joke. This is all stupid. But, you know, did they not realize the money printing that was going on? Like, what do you think, the fiat? You think them printing money like they're doing? 35% of all money that exists, or the US dollars that exist in circulation right now, were created this year alone. You think that's not going to have effect? You think the Federal Reserve and the government, both hand in hand, handing out checks, multiple checks to people, is not going to have an effect on the US dollar, on your buying power, the velocity of money, how far money goes between hands? That's the velocity of money. It's all-time lows every day. Every single day it's at all-time lows. So something has to give, and guess what gave? It was Bitcoin. And if you were smart enough to even think about it or pay attention to it, and you put just a little bit in, wow, you're winning. You're at least outrunning inflation, which who knows what inflation's going to be, right? With all this. This has never happened before. We've never had central banks so aggressively printing money like this, ever. Not even close, man.
Could an entry be coming on Zoom if we get below 300?
Isn't Zoom been getting wrecked or something? I haven't looked at it in a while, but I know Patreon's been talking about it. Oh, I don't know, dude. Ah, God, this is not going to end well. All right, it's going to take, dude, the correction's begun, I think, on this asset, right? It's just like, you got a gap fill coming. I think that's almost inevitable. It's almost certain that Zoom's going to fill this gap at 326, okay? So you know you're at least going there. I mean, high and lows, like, there's not much support resistance. Hey, remember that time probes? I know Ursula's out there. Ursula, remember this, dude? You remember Ursula, the bullish bat pattern that ended up... No one knew at the time, but there was an identification of a structure of a harmonic that ended up turning into literally a high of $588. Unbelievable, dude.
They know what they're doing. They're printing that money for themselves to purchase assets before the Great Reset.
Kind of similar to what they did with gold already. Remember, back before the bull run began, central banks were the composite operator for gold itself, where they purchased central banks purchased $155 billion worth of gold, and at the same time they only purchased $10 billion worth of government bonds. And this was before the breakout. The breakout, dude. And what was it? Sometime it was like earlier 2019 when Bitcoin went on its run, gold started breaking out and going on its crazy multi-year run now at this point. Yeah, they do that. Yeah, they're just going to print the currency into oblivion, and then they're going, with all that money, they're going to buy up the asset that has actual worth, so they have power in the future. Yes, 100%. That happened on gold. It's been happening on gold. So anyway, on Zoom, $300, I wouldn't. It's not going to cut it, man. That's not low enough. That's not deep enough, dude. I mean, if we're talking about like an actual just lowest low to high, I mean, you're not even at a 50% retrace yet. You know, you'd be looking at 279 to 262, and then 230, but below that, really, man. The deep, I think 121 would be the best. An 88% retrace. And that's near like critical, actual, the only real support that exists, the strongest support. You got this up here, but this is it down here, man. Probably. This is not good. This is very bad. Distribution, consecutive lower highs. And now we have lower lows. Oh God, no edge on the daily at all. Yeah, dude, I would not be messing with this for a while. This had its run. It had its fun. It's day in the sun, but now it's done. Right? You're on the other side of momentum now, where you're no longer making higher highs, higher lows. You're now making lower highs, lower lows. Let it play out, man. I just don't. I don't like Zoom the way it looks. No. 52 more members until 10K, dude. That's crazy. Join the Discord. For real. 10K before midnight would be legendary. Not getting cocky, but it's something that could happen. Alright, just so you know, Ursula has been supplanted. Though it says session top at 1340, it's fake news. Because Daniel Smits is at $1,440. 1 cent versus Ursula's $1,340. All right. Yeah, Zoom got too high too fast, so we would wait. We would certainly wait on that, okay? Happy New Year. What a crazy year it was, and what a crazy kickoff to the new year, man. Who was Ursula? Wouldn't you like to know? Everyone in the community has been a part of it for a while and knows exactly who Ursula is. I think Michael Saylor's watching. I wish, dude. It would be the best thing ever to interview that guy. It'd be so cool. Carla, never, man. Never, dude. I don't know, just extremely substantial here is total. And you had broken it yesterday, but no candle close. This is like, you know, give us less than 1 day, and if we close above 761 billion, it will be the highest close ever. And it'll be the first candle close above the wick high back from the ICO boom in January 2018. Unreal. Oh man, I've been live 3 hours 15 minutes now. So we've been going, man. We've been going. We've been kings, man. What's up, Sephiroth?
Sephiroth 702 super chatted $49.99. Mitch, you are always working. This is madness. No, this is Sparta. Lol. Keep the amazing TA going and Happy New Year. Watching the fireworks on the Vegas Strip with friends and checking in on the stream.
Thank you, Sephiroth, man, for the $50 super chat. Good to have you. Glad to have you. And thank you for investing in yourself, man, because I'm getting these tips and stuff saying thank you, but it's like, no, thank you, because if you didn't apply yourself.
1 hour bullish divergence taking us to 30K, then dumped on. Crazy, bro.
It's working on it, man. 60-minute hidden bullish divergence destroyed the 4-hour classic divergence so far. It's not over yet. Don't get cocky, kid. But yeah. There was hidden bullish divergence on a scrub time scale. It's going so far. You got work to do, right? Not much more work to do, Count Zeppelin. Not much. Oh, excuse me. How rude. So New Year. Happy New Year. John, I have no idea. Look, anyone asking me about price action in the here and now, you know what? No one has any idea. So if anyone ever asks the question, what do you think is going to happen in the next few minutes, or do you think this battle between bulls and bears will succeed or fail? No one knows. And those people that tell you they know for a fact are scams. They're frauds. They don't know. They don't really know. You're not supposed to know. Like, we know that we can make money not knowing what's going to happen next, because with an edge, it's all about the probability game. If we play the game of numbers and we have a greater than 50% chance on all our trades, we know eventually playing that game, we're going to win. Okay. G-Man, are you talking about me, or who are you talking about, Dave? We're just at it. We're like the second fib extension. There's one more, and it's pretty much $30,000. So I think it's very possible we see $30,000. But tonight, I don't know if it's tonight. You know, like, I'm not one to time when assets break fib extensions and go to the next ones. You just don't know. Every market situation is
Happy
unique.
New Year's, Mitch. Proud to say I've learned so much about markets and TA in the 2+ years since I found you. Not only TA, but clarity and the powers who move to devalue our wealth. Thank you for helping us never lose faith in Bitcoin. Kings.
Jacob G, thanks for the 5-man. And yeah, dude, clarity in that regard is very important, man. People don't know. People don't know what's happening to our fiat system right now. We're in the middle of a transition of the destruction of the fiat system, chat. Do you not see that happening? That's happening in real time before our eyes. And Bitcoin wouldn't be at 29,400 if it wasn't for that. So we're witnessing a transition, all right? A time of consolidation has come to a close. We're in the transition between consolidation and now diffusion. Bitcoin is a form of revolution. It is a revolt against what is happening to our fiat system. where central banks now are just printing, devaluing into oblivion. We're watching the revolution unfold, but it's just on the chart. There are no guns. It's just people simply saying, I'm buying this and I'm done with fiat. Okay. Matthew D, Rookie of the Year. Alright, I'm down with that. I'm down with that, pros. Can I co-sign Matthew D, Rookie of the Year? Boom. It is done. Jesus Chimes for Rookie of the Year, Matthew D. It's done.
Have a happy
So,
New
Freebird.
Year's. THX Mitch for all your hard work over the last 2 years and helping me stay in the game.
Thank you, Freebird, for the 2021 Super Chat. And hey, if I'm able to help, I'm very grateful to be able to be in a position to do that. So thank you, man, for letting me know. That's what it's about, dude. My levels of inebriation are growing, so you just don't be mad at me, okay? I'm not as composed when my BAC levels grow. Okay, bearish divergence on mid-trace sobriety, I guess one could say. And Probes is out there. It was crazy. Ursula is out there in the chat and still understands that he is not winning. He is not session top Jesus. So Daniel Smits might have won. All that has to be done is Ursula in the chat says he waves the white flag and it will be over. It's not your internet that craps out when whale buys or sells happen. It's the infrastructure of the exchanges that craps out. So it's not your internet, it's them. But that's like going to the circus and being offended that a clown shows up at the circus. It's a clown show. All these exchanges are that. Okay? That's why swing trading is so nice. You don't have to worry about crap, man. Like, oh yeah, hey, crazy volatility's happening. It's not near my buy, sell, or stop loss. Fine, no problem, dude. Ethereum pumping. Fake news. Serious fake news. Ethereum's not pumping at all. I like totals. I like totals indeed. What are the Fibonacci targets after 30K? I think that's when we start going to log scale. First log scale Fibonacci extension is $32,400-ish. Okay. Yep. After 30K is 32 and change. Jeff can't wait for one of the mainstream brokerage companies to offer crypto trading. Bitcoin's going to pump on the news. It's going to be so much better. I don't know, man. You know, it's never that easy, right? Oh, sorry. Sorry, dude. It's New Year's Eve. People talk to things are happening, man. All right. But yeah, I do have something going on in a little bit. I've got it. I mean, like, you know, it's doing something with people's. I've got time. I do have time here, but not all the time in the world. So history is great, man. I love enjoying it with you. I just can't believe it, man. I mean, I can, I guess, right? It all makes sense. You know, you say you can't believe it because that is a common expression for incredulity, right? I mean, where you just can't. It's just so awesome. It's so unbelievable because of what it's done for you, right? So that's where I'm at. And the fact that I can believe it, but what's happened because of the bet that was placed by a lot of us is almost unbelievable because of what kind of life-changing experience it's given us, right? Romo, you got a bar, dude. What's going on with Theta, dude? Theta's up 1.2%, $1.88. Nah, dude, it's just right at that second target of the trade setup. Not really that crazy. So the third target of the trade setup's $2, $2.05. So you're trying to engulf right now, trying to break it. Dude, chat's lit, man. Thanks for the 1,600 people still here. Thanks for the 1,230 likes. Dude, I'm getting hungry. I gotta go. Yeah, I got things. Let's see, I've got less than 4 hours now of things I've got to handle. So we're gonna do it, Stock Jockey. I don't know, man. I don't know. Just don't know. Okay. Theta already mooned. Where you been, dude? Theta's mooned. It's done. It's over. Meme of the month? Yeah, who was the winner of the meme of the month? Maybe something I do for head out. Ursula. It seems like you're gonna lose, dude. Sorry to hear it, man. Who won meme of the month? Great question. Brad, who won, dude? You tell me, okay. When Space Dream looks like it's the winner with yours. Oh my god, dude. I just remember last month, man, this was like a meme. It didn't win or anything. It's just funny to see it, dude. Right? This is what happens, Larry. At $19,209, everyone's losing their minds, man.
Noise!
I'm excited to join the Patreon tomorrow, man. Thanks for everything you're doing.
Gigas A, Seabass. It doesn't sound as good when I keep it peachy, but thank you, man. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see all the new patrons who are going to be joining tomorrow. I know there's going to be a few based on what y'all have said. So, first of the month, best time to join the Patreon. Best way to support the stream. Best way to invest in yourself. If you care to invest in yourself, I guess, right? It's all about you if you want to do it. Thank you. All right, well, we will post that one. $29,300 for selling off a little bit of the 1272 VIP extension. Okay. 30K first. Not quite. You got a long way to go for a 30K, man. Dude, you hit 29.5, and I'm sorry, you're now at 29.3. So you got $700 to go, man. I'm looking for that. So it looks like it was a tie, maybe, between the visual and an audio. On the meme of the month. Okay, so this one was the audio, okay? We're just gonna play it real quick. This is Brad's. Brad, 1 minute 42 seconds. All right, so we're gonna keep it on total market cap while we listen to the song. It's not a visual, but it got as many votes as the visual that will be on the whatever it's called, the banner. All right, so we're gonna listen to it real quick. All right, mute my mic.
Waking up this morning saying Litecoin taking off. I have a friend who told me, see you at 2K. Sorry, I don't know. Got liquidated with your shorts. Now we're up to K. Now we're up to K.
Yeah, I agree. I like the guitar the most. Oh my god! Oh my god! My mic was muted. I literally thought I unmuted this effing mic. I didn't. Wow. I just said, Brad, we should just get you playing guitar for like, 10 minutes straight, put it on Spotify and see how many likes we get, because that's amazing. It was so good. Voice was okay, but the guitar was the best for sure. I think a lot of people would agree with that. And the visual, that was the auditory winner of Meme of the Month. And I say that because they tied on votes. And this was the visual winner, Win Space Stream, where we had not hit all-time highs yet. I said we were not going to do a space stream until all-time highs. And we were pretty well off. And then we finally did hit all-time highs. And then we did a space stream, and it was great. So I broke keto that night. I remember, dude. So that's it. Congratulations, Wayne Batson. You won again. Nothing new, dude. Congratulations to both of y'all.
here, Mitch. Best channel. Thanks for making us learn. Please target LTO/USDT. I'm not sure which fib retracement is expected.
Thank you. Well, couple with handle stuff, I guess. Wow, what a breakout. What a re-breakout, all right? What a run, and you sold off, and you made a higher low than the previous low, and look where you are. Crazy. You're thinking if you hold above 13 cents long enough, you're going to 15.912 cents, and if you ever broke that, then, well, of course, you're going to 17.7 cents. Pretty simple. Like, you want nothing to do with LTO below 13 cents, right? I mean, that's like you broke and you back testing, so you're holding it. Anything below it, got the chance that eventually you could go back down to 9 cents. So pretty easy to size up one's risk here, right? Hold that 15 cents, 17.7 cents. And then after that, we get Fibonacci, right? Of course. $0.20, 1272 right after that. Okay. There you have, man. Uptrend, not much data, but holding above critical area, they could take you to the next critical area. That if you broke that, 17.7 and 20 cents. Okay, easy enough. LTO. Thank you, man. Dude, I've got to partake in sustenance before I go do things that I'm gonna do. All right, so. Okay. I've been live 3 hours. What do you want? If it's a 3 hour and 36-minute live stream on New Year's Eve, what more could one ask for besides just stream for 10 hours straight, right? There's no question about an Uber false flags. That's happening no matter what, of course, but that has to happen, right? So I'm not in the city yet. I will be in the city as of like February, but anyway. Tomorrow's gonna be rough, no matter what. Okay, so we're at less than 100 members. We're less than like 80 members until 10,000 Discord members, so. Anyway, it's been just a wonderful stream, a magical experience where we closed at all-time high. We had a yearly candle close on Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently hit all-time highs on the stream. Good chance. I mean, it's very possible in the next few hours Bitcoin does it again and goes to 30K before Eastern time, New Year's, but I don't think it really cares that much about 30K by a certain time, all right? So, thanks so much for likes, love, support, contributions. Ursula coming in with $1,340, $1,340 tonight. Schmitz, man. Daniel Schmitz is at $1,450 or $1,440 and 1 penny to win the game. No one's ever beat Probst except another person. So, really, really appreciate y'all coming out. Very grateful. I love y'all. Seriously, this is the best community out there. And y'all have helped change my life. So, grateful, humbled by that. So I'll be back. Happy New Year to you and yours. Roll Tide. Bama's gonna destroy Notre Dame hopefully tomorrow. Until next time. Respect. Never mind.
Bruh.
Smits, man, you almost had it, dude. You almost had it, man.
Common Ursula tipped $123.58. Smits at the last minute. Logan taught me well.
Well, I'll give Daniel about 5 minutes or so to rebut the session top Jesus, which is now Ursula again. I gotta do math here though. What's the number now, Probes? You were just at someone do the math for me, okay? I'm not great at math. All right, great at lines and stuff, but what is Probes or Ursula winning by now? I'm not muted. Don't even troll, man. I'm gonna get triggered. We know Ursula's winning. But by how much now? Bitcoin 29,238. 29,200. 29,185. Pulling back after an all-time high run. Ursula was 1340. Now Ursula is 14 something. Ursula is now at $1,463.58. Nice 58. Okay. So you hear that, Daniel, man? I'm giving you, you got 4 more minutes to plead your case. Pleading your case to beat 1,463.58. Okay. That's it, dude. Thank you, pros, man. Wow. So what we got? We're extending the stream, at least by like 3.5 more minutes. Okay. Fern Dog, no, I'm not.
Is that a joint?
Got some things going on. So
Mitch, are you coming back before midnight?
no, I got something happening, but thank you, man. I've been here for 3 hours and 41 minutes at this point. I thought that was good enough. I thought that would be like, yeah, that's fine. That's cool on a New Year's stream, no problem. 4-hour stream, no problem. So, thank you, man. Just giving Daniel just a couple minutes to declare whether he wants to win this war or he wants to succumb to Ursula like everyone else. Thank you.
Bruh.
Daniel might not even be watching anymore, so Bitcoin's just like, haha, screw your soul off. Screw your soul off. Bitcoin's already back 29,326, like nothing, burger. Okay, so it looks like Probes is up by $93.57. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm timing you. God, the redcoats are out there, man, freaking out.
Yeah, but you're the main entertainment at my night party, dog.
Thank you, friend dog. I appreciate that, but yeah, I just got some things going on, man. So it's gonna knock it out. But don't worry, man. Don't worry. I'll be back, and we'll do this all again, and it'll be a great time. We're following Bitcoin, and yeah, dude, it'll be great, man. Okay. Do you hear this, chat? Not even close to midnight yet. Not really. Is Patreon a year from sign up or until end of whatever year? I think it's like the day you join. Say you joined December 31st, 2020. The Patreon membership would end December 31st, 2021 if you join annually. Okay. Pretty sure that's how it works. Dude, they're losing it over there. It's crazy, man. Like, I gotta go help. I'm telling you, man. I'm going to go fight in the battle. The battle, man. All right, I'm giving Daniel about 1 more minute. Okay, chat. Daniel will be conceding defeat in 60 seconds, chat. That's right. Get wrecked, Redcoats. Outside my house. Can't believe you would say that. I'm so offended, man. What happened, Jimmy? Who disappeared, man? What are you talking about? Oh yeah, we played that theme. Alright, we're playing the theme. We're playing this theme only because this is Daniel Smith's last 59 seconds. Okay, chat. Probe's gonna win 40 seconds. So we're not trying to keep it too loud. "30 seconds, dude, before the Redcoats come storm the castle, man. I'm ready." Yeah, the noise sucks, dude, but guess what? 10 seconds of it, so chill out. Here we go, chat. 5 seconds till Daniel loses the battle. Probes officially wins. Again, no surprise. Daniel, thank you so much, man, for participating in the battle of the bulls. Thank you, Probes, man. You have defended your superiority once again, man. Thank you. Thank both of y'all. Incredible. It's all fun and games. We're just having a good time. But, all right. Thanks so much, Probes, man. Keeping this thing going a little bit longer, all right? But, chat, it's been great. What a year it's been. Thank you all for participating in this insanity, this history with me. And I don't think it's over, man. I don't think history is done. Listen to the Redcoats. I'm about to go destroy them. They're getting really aggressive out there. Alright, I gotta go to battle. I'll be back. Till next time. Respect the T. Hey.
name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Adios, turd nuggets.